Agoniering to the flipping world.
Hi.
Ragashanti, yeah, the mix-up daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on. Yes, Ragashanti. Do you know how Richie feelings this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocus bag of things with scandal side of it. All right. My producer right there. Ragashanti live. Oh yeah! Here we go. Ragashanti live. Oh time! Ready. Here we go.
I need soap and blend that time. I'm going to call and talk of the king.
Check.
The reason I'm done with him because I said, I'm here to get up here to see him, rock.
Check. Hold on. The boy have you want to get up here with the same red rock?
Ragan.
Yeah.
Beside the girl with the neck side of sword about the red rago.
Ready up now.
Then people that look at me
Ready up now.
Because the way you
Ready up now. That word they're mad. Ready up now. Ready up now. Here we go. Ragashanti, yeah, the mix-up daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on. Check. Yes. Check. Ragashanti. Do you know how Richie feelings this, right? Check. And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocus bag of things with scandal side of it. Tambourine there. Valentine's Day come up too. Hey, listen to me now, man. Monday Valentine's Day. Lord Jesus, you know. What? All who excited about Valentine's Day, come up right now. Wave your right hand, which part today. If you're excited about Valentine's Day, come up, wave your right hand and thing or whatever this and that. All who out there, how the man broke up with them already before Valentine's Day and all them. Be careful when them come back for them back with them after Valentine's Day. That's the general shape. All of the ladies out there, not even ladies alone, all the man them too. You understand what I say? If your partner broke up with you since this week, be careful of the dirty nastiness when them come back and want them back with you after Valentine's Day. A general ship. I told them now on the pressure to spend the Valentine's Day with you. Make that a go on. You understand? And as soon as Monday gone, Monday pass, and them that make we start back the show again and whatever the excitement there. And what's the ride, juggle again. Oh, yeah! Hey! Here we go! Ragashanti live. Oh, time! Ready.
I need soap and blend that time. I'm want to call and talk of the king there. That's the reason I'm done with him because I said, boy, I'm here to get up here to see him, rock.
Hold on, the boy have you want to get up here with the same red rock?
Yes. Ragan.
Yeah.
Beside the girl with the neck side of sword about the red rago.
Here we go. Here we go. Yo, that word is mad. Agoniering. Here we go. Agoniering to the floor. Ragashanti, yeah, the Mixup daddy. Hallelujah.
Ragashanti go on and on. Yes.
Ready or no?
Ragashanti.
Energy.
So you know how Richie feeling this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk about a thing
There we go now.
side of it.
There we go now. There we go now. The tambourine there. Watch it, mama play my tambourine. Watch it.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Me say me there with the mix up. Hold on. No, we're good. No, don't stop it. No, listen now. Friday we start on second. When the vibes take me for say something, I don't say something and then I start by the intro again because I might show me can't do it. But like, hello. All right. All bona man and bona woman, listen to me, I know. All bona man and bona woman, listen to me now. Monday is the 14th. Monday is Valentine's Day. If you know say you're a bona man or a bona woman, you see that something there where you even ask the person about if them can spend the day with you or you gotta at least come over in the evening or so you gotta come over in the day before you spend the night with Miss Lady or Mr. Man. Nobody ask the question. Don't ask the question. It's not your day. Valentine's Day is not your day. You already know say you're a bona man. You already know you're a bona woman. Let me give you some old school Jamaica talk. Don't prims up. I'll remember prims up, big up on yourself. Don't prims up. If he's a bona man or a bona woman, for Valentine's Day, don't prims up. Only need to take a page out of Lammy Rasta Boy book. Lock that door for me, Cooldy. Lock that door for me. Only need to take a page out of Lammy Rasta Boy book. Lammy is a bona man. And Lammy know in position. Lammy never yet to ask his wife about so. Can't link me upon Valentine's Day in the evening and all them. Right? Now, another debate, like if you're a bona man or a bona woman, if you can't fall in love, it's okay to fall in love, but you got to manage that love now. Hello? You have to manage that love. Some people are say, don't know if you catch feelings if you're a bona man or a bona woman. I disagree. That change now. Bona man and bona woman can't catch feelings. But don't bright yourself on Valentine's Day and them something there. It's not your day. Hold the 15th. The 14th are your day. The 15th are your day. And the 15th, not in the morning either upon the 15th. Because whoever have the 14th, them are go tired in the morning because them are go walk out them things on Valentine's Day in the night. So the 15th in the morning, them are go tired. So they better come in about 6, 7 o'clock on the 15th. Your time is after 2 o'clock in the afternoon on the 15th. After 2 on the 15th is I have more to say on this. But give me some, I can play some more music there. I got some more to say, but let me play about the intro again.
Ragashanti live.
Here we go.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Let's go.
Ready.
I need some An Blenda
Hey.
time. I'm want to call and talk of the Kingston.
There we go. Check.
You want to get up here with the same red one? Yeah.
This is the girl with the neck with the red rago. Hey. People that look at me and say Aganeering because the way you are.
Aganeering to the flipping world. Hi.
Ragashanti, yeah, the mix up daddy. Hallelujah.
Ragashanti go on and on.
Pour out of the clip.
Yes.
Here we go now.
Ragashanti.
Tell them
what
Richie
you feel
feelings.
this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk
Back.
a crocus bag of things with
Back.
the handle side of it.
Back. 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 Ready up, no. Ready, 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 up, no. No. A laugh time now. Laugh time now. Laugh time now. Laugh time now. Fun time now. Fun time now. Fun time now. Fun time now. Excitement. 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 All right, stop it again, Raga. Stop it again and talk again, Raga. Stop it and talk again, Raga. Watch it. And next thing, Bonner man and Bonner woman. Please, for God's sake, don't ask the person who have them husband or them wife or the person who them there with outright, and don't ask them what them are going to do on Valentine's Day. That is not your business. That is not your business. And on the 15th after 2 o'clock, don't ask them what them did do. That is not your business. If you're a bonner man or a bonner woman, you know what you should have do? You should have helped the person to do something special for them wife or them husband. If you're a bonner woman, check in with them. I'm not telling no one to do it now in life, you know, right? But if you know you're a bonner woman, just listen what me I say. If you know he's a bonner man, listen what me I say. If he's a bonner woman, check in with the man, because sometimes the men can be a little bit, lapse, in terms of their responsibilities on these significant days. So you must talk to him and say, have you ever thought of doing so and so with your wife on Valentine's Day? What about doing something extra romantic for her? That is what your role is. You must be supportive. If he's a bonner man, you talk to the woman and tell her what she must do to make her husband feel good, her man feel good, and whatever. But about to catch feelings and ask her what you did do, and what you do, and how long you do it, and which part you sort out, and if you did swipe, and you did go down pan him or go down pan. It's not your business. Leave it alone. It's not your business. It's not your business. And remember, on the 15th, in the morning on the 15th is not your time. It's still not your time. Because the husband or the wife would have been burning extensive calories on the 14th. A lot of calories will be burning. Beer things are going to go on Valentine's Day. You understand? So in the morning, them have to rest. Come on now. If it's a bonner man or a bonner woman, why you want the person for a rush to come to you 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock a morning on the 15th? No. So on the 15th, yeah, what you going to do? You line up your thing. Get some look of cornmeal. Get some cornmeal, make some cornmeal porridge or something. Make sure so you stir up the cornmeal and you kind of want it lumpy on the 15th, right? Make sure you stir in the corn, right? Fry some dumpling. Fry some plantain or something. Make yourself a nice breakfast. If you go American, do your bacon and eggs or something. Treat yourself to something nice on the 50th. On the morning of the 50th. Take care of yourself. Right? Nobody worry about what going over this. And on the 14th too. Nobody sit down and go get depressed either. Nobody start thinking about all them something that what she did do to me and that she over there do to him now. No! If you think about them something there, then a bonner man or a bonner woman position is not for you. Leave it alone. If you're a bonner man and a bonner woman and you always think about what the man or the woman who you take and whatever the people and property, if you always think about what them do with them wife or them husband or them man or them woman, it is not for you. Leave it alone. Left us something there. If you cannot manage your feelings, you have some people say if you're a bonner man or a bonner woman, you don't forget feelings. Well, me used to advocate that rule there. But now times have changed. We have evolved now. So, bona man and bona woman can be in love, but you have to learn to manage the love, consistent with the role that you're playing. Don't come out of your lane. Do not come out of your lane. So on the 15th now, you're going to make some porridge or something, whichever porridge you want. Personally, I think how many porridge is the best porridge there is. Then come call me. Whichever one, make some porridge and fry some dumpling or to something of the sort and thing or whatever, if it, whatever the case may be. Take care of yourself and whatever and wait till your time till after 2 o'clock, after 2 p.m. Right? And if you don't hear from the person after 2 p.m., still follow the 8 o'clock, the 8 p.m. rule. If you're a bonner man or a bonner, I know it's enough found and I like this. If you're a bonner man or a bonner woman, don't call after 8 p.m. What? Eh? Okay. Wait. What? Oh, that is still a go on? Oh, okay. All right. No worry. Okay. All right. Don't call after 8 p.m. If you're a bonner woman or a bonner man, you know the rule after that, right? What the husband or the wife say. Don't call me, I will call you. That is what applies. You don't call after 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. That is not your time. After 8 p.m. is not your time. From 8 p.m. until 10 a.m. is not your time. Your time is from 10 a.m. until 8 p.m. Come on, you know the rules. You know the rules. Your time is from 10 a.m. until 8 p.m. You don't call before 10 a.m. You don't call after 8 p.m. And you must know, say you have code. So if you're a woman and you call a man, and you hear the man answer and say, Trevor, what you say? Boom, you know, say, you can't talk to him, whatever. Because you don't name Trevor, you're a woman. I code that. Come on, 5 phone. Come, don't even bother ask a question. Come on, 5 phone. If you're a man and you call after 10 and you hear the woman say, Sandra, our breeze blow, you make you call me right. Come on for the phone. Just say, okay, me understand. Boom, I hang up. All right. One last time I could play the intro right, Teach me, Don't give bun. Don't be a bonner man or a bonner woman. But we know how the world run. We know say, we're not naive enough to think that this thing are going to eliminate. So, from it to happen, you have to do it efficiently. You have to conduct yourself with certain ethics. You have to learn how to bond with respect. You have to learn how to take people man and take people woman with respect. Somehow lose the fundamentals. Right? Right? And this is what I'm here. Listen, I'm very clear, Don't burn. If you have a good man or a good woman, a good husband or a good wife, don't burn them. But again, we're not naive to think that burning going to be eliminated from the world. So given that it's a reality that is inevitable, unavoidable, then our next step is to make sure we conduct it as efficiently as possible with as much respect to all the other parties as possible. Valentine's Day come. What a piece of Christ. Run the intro one last time, man. Here we go.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti.
Big up everybody from Facebook.
Ready.
I need you An Blenda time.
Hey!
I'm want to call and talk of the King's Day.
That's the reason I'm going with him because I see why I'm here to get a beer with the same rock.
Hold on. Why have you want to get a beer with the same red rock?
Raga.
Yeah.
Beside the girl with the next side of story about the red raga.
Hey!
Tell people that can you say you're Haganiering because the way we are.
Yo, that word they're mad. Agoneering.
Haganiering
To the flipping world.
Hi.
Ragashanti, I the mix up daddy.
Long time.
Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on. Yes, Ragashanti. So you know how Richie feelings this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocus bag of things with the handle side of it.
Here we go, here we go, here we go. Hey.
I need some An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Ready.
I need some An
Energy.
Blenda time.
Energy.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
I need some An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
I need some An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Check. Ah, let it go. Cut the music. All right, good to go. All right, we're there, people. Big up on yourself. All right, before we even get to going and start taking phone call, I'm here to mix up here. So people, you know, say, a man and one woman hook up and all these things and whatever and right? And them I go so boom now if you go do the something with them and whatever and this and that and thing. And Mr. Man in position himself, he go do that look something there and whatever and thing and whatever. And you know, which party I go do them thing? Which party I go do him thing? And up top, I down this. So him I go do him thing, but on up top, I down this. Swipe him I go swipe. So when him go down this, him man go see some grey hair. And him man turn back. People, all who look at me on Facebook, well, I make I see that. So, why you black? Let me sit it. Yeah, man, yeah. All who look at me on Facebook, you don't know what is me now. We have at today, right? I'm balling out, right? But me, I tell you, well, me I sport balling for a long time. No people think that I have no ear. Me have ear, but me have only about grey hair, but man. So me not ready for sport my grey hair yet. It's not yet. Probably next year. Next year, I think next year I'm gonna roll out with my grey hair, right? Right? So we all know the game. We all know the game. Many of us we not like to really sport with grey hair. But by the way, sidebar, the grey hair thing, you know, is not like before. Enough people find grey hair sexy now. I just want to tell you so. I just want to know. Particularly the ladies them love all a man with a little grey hair. Woman who love a man with a little grey hair, you know, particularly when it neat up and all them something there. And me see some wonderful woman out there, right? You know them, you know, 40s, 50s, and even 60s, and grey hair sexy upon them no back foot, me I tell you. So a grey hair game change right you know. The grey hair thing, you know. Them don't even call it grey. Some of them say it's that silver hair. You know, bombard. Them all put value to it. You understand? So sidebar. But we all know that enough people that like, you know, really put out them grey hair. So me I wear my head bald for a long time, you know. From like my early 20s, I wear my hair bald. Before any grey hair. And then over the years and years, grey hair come out and me, what's a ball it? Because I never ready for sure. And next year, I'm going to roll out with my grey hair. Next year. So we understand the grey hair thing. So that man, you know, him and the lady are date and all these things and whatever. And them ready for go do them something, you know, and him go swipe her. And the general say, him say grey hair and thing, and him turn back. Right? Cause him they, ready for stay down there for a while and then change his mind and just stay back up top and go back up top. You understand? You have a little problem with that, because me not see what the big deal is, but the part that really confused me though is him say the woman have grey hair upon her head. So him say him shocked because him never expect to see that. So obviously the question is, oh, so you swipe long time? Yeah, him a swipe long time. That him say. Well, me I tell you how me get it. Right, so him a swipe long time. So you never swipe it and see grey hair there, so. No, him say him never see grey hair there, so. So him say that's why I'm surprised. Because him not used to see grey hair there, so. But the part when it make sense is that him say, yeah, she have grey hair, she have a whole heap of grey hair on her head. So people simple deduction is, if the woman have a whole heap of grey hair on her head, why are you surprised if grey hair down there, so? We're not getting at it. I don't know about the shave part because I'm telling you, everybody, women, them for shave are cut low. We're not getting at that part. The shave are cut low. That's around the place. All right. But anyway, aside from that, so I don't know the dimensions or the length. Wait, what one? Eh? What one? Oh, okay. So I don't know the dimensions or the length or what is what or whatever. But when me ask people, if him see grey hair upon the lady head, why you ever surprised if you see grey hair there so too? Why that going to be a turn off? That make any sense? You don't have no problem with grey hair upon the lady head, but you have problem if grey hair there so. Who remember the mix-up were coming one time where sorry, me I laugh. When one woman, she got dye up here. Me don't know what kind of dye she use. But when the man go down, whatever, be a black dye on him face. Be a black dye come on. Who remember that mix up there? And the brother say him get to work and whatever, and him gonna do him thing and whatever, and be a black him sip on him face, and the woman, who remember that mix up there? So it look like the woman them go through pressures and all these things. These are the woman them who shave, obviously, which all women should do. Okay, they need to make that a law. Say, woman shave or cut down, right? But anyway, right? So the pressures of the color, the ear type of thing and whatever can lead to all some of them little issues here and all them something there, Right? I know I found that situation where the woman left beard dye upon the man pillar, right? And thing and whatever. But that's a different part. That's a edge you put there and whatever. But back to the brethren there and thing, it don't make no sense to me. I understand the fear of grey hair and the discomfort with grey hair with some people because I find it unattractive. And I hold that is changing, but we're well aware that in certain circles it is still, not exactly embraced. I am guilty of that too, because me not too show up my grey hair. Next year me I roll them out and thing. But what is? Men need to manscape too? Oh, well, okay. So see, the ladies, hold on, make a clue. Hold on, okay. Oh, Lord. The ladies, say that the man them need for shave too. Yes, men, yes. Well, I'm glad they bring it up, Christina, because the ladies have been complaining about this or whatever, No found a man on the like when the woman them pretty up them thing and cut down them thing and put a look art shape on it and put all the letter on the first name and all them something there whatever. And the ladies them a complain about no man. Right? The ladies them a complain about no. Because you need to cut down phone a year too. Right? No found no roll out there like one big coconut, one long coconut tree with beer bush round it and all these things and whatever. The ladies them don't like that something there. Don't like that something there. And big up waxing because the waxing thing, they're different from all the shaving thing with the ladies, them, you know. Yeah. From what I have read. Yeah, the waxing thing smoother, man. Me not lie. The waxing thing, they make it thing smoother. I want to know that the ladies that you go through significant discomfort to achieve that state in that the thing like that. And we're well aware. So we just, on behalf of all men who appreciate the effort that you made and the discomfort that you experience in order to achieve that state in that area, we just want to thank you. We just want to thank you and commend you and things like that and whatever. But the waxing thing, I were big up the waxing thing and whatever. But Mr. Man, if the lady have gray hair on top of her head and whatever, I don't see why you should have a little bit, you should have been uncomfortable if gray hair this and shock and say gray hair enough for doing this. People, here we are going. We want Valentine's Day mix up. If you have any mix up with Valentine's Day or Bonner man or Bonner woman rules, you know, me want to give me some mix up where the Bonner man move wrong or the Bonner woman move wrong. You can't call him about anything you want to call him. You don't have to call him on the topic them I go on. You don't have to call in on the topics them that I'm giving them. Right? You can't call him with any mix up, any drama. It's all about fun around here. Unadulterated fun around here. That's our thing set without apology. When I look at people, anybody who can manage them type of humor, yeah, go and read the Bible. Go and crochet. Go clean your floor. Right? Go brush your teeth. You know? Go read a novel or something. This is not for you. Nobody going to sit down there and listen and complain the whole time. If you do that, you're a damn idiot. If you don't like what is happening here and you sit down there and listen the whole time, you're a damn idiot. It's your fault. You have a choice. Media is so diverse right now. There's so much out there for you to watch, see, and listen and all these things and whatever. It is absolutely nonsensical for you to sit there and to listen to something that you're not as comfortable with and then be complaining about it. You're subjecting yourself to your own personal abuse. Don't be so mean to yourself. Stop it. But if you're in the ray and you love the fun and you love the laughter and whatever, do join us right here tonight. I am here until 12 o'clock tonight and we're going to be having a lot of fun. So again, we're going to take a break right now, but when we're forward and think, call in about anything you want, call in about, give it any drama you want, give it and thing and whatever, but let's keep it fun. Remember, you know, this is the escape from the coronavirus stress and your problems and your work and this and that and whatever. And all week, all kind of drama did reach and you just want a little laughter right there. Aye there. Whole time people talk. Aye there. Translated from Jamaican, it's right here. Aye there. Aye there. Real Jamaican talk that. Aye there. Ya is here. And the E really translates to is. And the day, well, the day is actually here. A day, so a dear day. Yeah, there. All right. I don't know what we mean. All right. So, but we want, hey, if we don't know what any mix up our thing on it inner, we want Bonner man just make some wrong move, or the Bonner man catch feelings, the Bonner man or the Bonner woman catch feelings and move wrong or whatever. When we come back from the break, we want you call in and give it a mix up there. Or if, you know, you have some advice, you know, in terms of what you want to educate the Bonner man or the Bonner woman them about how they must behave, we welcome those two. Call in and teach the Bonner man them and the Bonner woman them how they must behave. In given circumstances, specific or in general, all right? And also, but we want to break. We're soon forward.
From Flatbridge to the George Washington Bridge. From the top of the Empire State Building to the Blue Mountain Peak. From the Grill Point to Morant Point to Brooklyn, Bronx, Queens, Manhattan, New York City. It's IrieJam.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Yeah, man, welcome back up in the thing. I'm in name Ragashanti. You're in tune to Ragashanti live on a Friday. We juggle from 9 o'clock until 12 o'clock. Right, yes, sir. Man, the big bad IrieJam radio in New York City and, of course, on the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica. I want to say enough respect to all Jamaicans listening. The Bridge 99 FM, Bridge Nation. Big up on yourself. Large up on yourself down there in Jamaica. Hot and Spicy and the whole crew. And think big up on yourself. All TamFamers large up. All TamFamers big up on yourself. Proper. So the thing set. All right. So I don't know what we are dealing right now. No just calling with anything on want calling about. I will talk about what we want to talk about and thing. But it's a mix up vibes and things. Since I would like that little energy and thing. I would just gonna ask you if you have anything like, you know, super intellectual and deep. No, might not be the time for you to call in about something like that. We're not totally averse to any intellectual content. We're just saying that the nature of the program is such that, this might not be, the virtual venue for that type of discourse at the moment. So we just want you calling with our vibes, Calling with our vibes and thing and whatever and talk about anything you want to talk about and thing. Keep the subject matter within that arena that we're presently located. Vibes! Yeah. And at the same time, if you have some Bonner man rules and Bonner woman rules and things like that, we want you call in and share them there also, Some things on that, that you think Bonner man need to learn. Some wrong thing. Lock a door, when you talk me, I hear you loud, here. Lock a door for me. You drop that door. All right. Yeah. And, if there's some things where the Bonner man them need to do or some things where the Bonner woman them need to do, some wrong move where the Bonner man them make or some wrong move where the Bonner woman make, particularly how times change with certain things and whatever and thing and whatever and them something there. Why you call in and share them there, all right? Or if you have a mix-up where a Bonner woman or a Bonner man go on with something wicked and thing and whatever and violate, make some wrong move and whatever you have that mix up, they make you know also. And we have a little twist to it too. Because if you're a Bonner man or a Bonner woman and you feel say some ethics need for them on the side of the man or the woman who you are born with, we want you call in and share that too, because sometimes, the husband can start taking Bonner woman for granted. And I feel like, say, boy, certain respect for sure. And some respect for sure, there's too. Right? If you have if you is a wife and you have a Bonner man and thing and whatever, there's certain respect where that person is due to. You understand? So, if you want to call in and draw up the husband and the wife, them and the man and the woman, them who in a relationship, and how them a move wrong when them a deal with the Bonner man or the Bonner woman, call in and draw them up to. Okay, if you're calling from the United States or Canada, the number is 888. Hold on there. Hold on, me have to keep on and see that something here, Oi, what? Oi. Yeah, 8885. Oh, now, let's see. 5. All right, wait, paper. You give me paper? Yeah, you give me paper. No, I want to put it. 888 546. I think it's 546 8742. 888 546 8742. If you're calling from Jamaica, the number is 876 676 4996. 876 676 4996. 876 676 4996. 876 676 4996. All right? All right, so when I said that person, I said, that's why I don't cheat. What I don't like for myself, I don't do it unto others. And listen to you, I rather stick to one person. I don't think it's healthy to have two men on the side, but to each their own. 2 men on the side? I think you meant, not to have one man on the side. Okay, we hear what you say, All right. Okay, hope not smoking is working out for you. Some buds on a Friday night. Oh, no, that person that talked to somebody may I look on the Facebook thing. Okay. All right. Yeah, give me that call. Give me the car. Hello. Hello? 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 Yes, greetings.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, go on.
Yeah, hello, Raga.
Yeah.
Hey, listen, Raga.
Yeah.
Yeah, listen. let me say something to you.
Mm-hmm.
Calabar all college, right?
What?
Raga.
Yeah.
Calabar all class, all age,
Yeah.
all ages. It's the same Calabar, James Street and Sutton Street.
Calabar all age, yeah. It's at the corner of James Street and Sutton Street.
Yeah, you got East Queen Street Baptist Church, right?
I went to Calabar all age and I went to East Queen Street Baptist Church and I passed my Common and Johnson Calabar all age. I went to Calabar High, right.
Yeah, hold on. I go Calabar, no, sir.
Which Calabar? Which one?
James Street and Sutton Street.
Calabar all age. Okay, you went there. Okay.
Yeah, but it was Calabar Primary School then.
Calabar Primary.
That's the same one that Mr. Barrett, Stonehead Barrett.
Oh, it look
And
like
Ian
you.
Paul
No, it
and
look like you go there after me then.
No, man, me left there 63.
No, oh, that is before. That is long. That is long.
Long time before you.
Long before. Oh, so it was primary before it turned early. That's a long time before me. Me don't even born
Yeah,
yet.
1963,
So what? Wait.
Mr. Barrett.
Well, you left Calabar early age 1963. At that time you left there, right?
Yeah, man.
No,
When-
them
when
time
Ian
them in a
Paul
barn
was the
yet.
Prime Minister.
Them time that the
Oh,
man,
Lord.
them time
Well,
that the
well,
man,
well,
them
well.
them time that the man who breed my mother don't even did the lyrics are yet.
Hey, but here up, man.
Mm.
They had two names, you know. They had two nicknames, you know, sir.
Eh?
Guess what my first nickname was?
What is your first nickname?
Raga.
For real?
Raga. Yeah, for real.
Hold
And
on.
the next
Hold
nickname
on.
was
Hold on. When you get that nickname there? When you did have that nickname there? When you did that Calabar?
90. Yes, when we are kick orange round on the back. The
Oh.
back of your class.
Okay. I didn't hear Raga.
Yes, sir.
Backside here now. So what was your other nickname now?
Big boots.
Big Boots.
Big boots, them call me. Yeah, man.
I'm afraid for
Them-
ask you
them-
why they
them-
call you that, you know. I'm afraid.
No, hey, me used to wear some way called some GB. You know them Great Britain.
No.
Them GB boots.
No, me no know them. Me no know them.
Yeah. Them coming like army boots. They call me big boots because of them I used to wear.
Okay. All right, well, okay.
Yeah, but I listen to that stuff. I hear you say go East Queen Street Baptist Church. I say me used to walk through the back of the school. I go straight through East Queen Street to East Queen Street.
Exactly, right. They used to do that.
Yeah,
or whatever,
they still have the place up there when you go there where that was the way you call it the workshop.
What workshop?
You know the Calabar there where they make any kind of stuff like a flower pot and stuff. Wood workshop.
I wouldn't know, you know, because remember, I, even though you left there before me, I left there a long time ago, so I wouldn't know what is there right now, you know. But I know part of the curriculum, you had a class named Home Economics, and you had a class where you had a class something like woodworking and it's one leather class. Yeah, one where you work.
Leather class.
No, you know, so me not gonna say. Well, me not gonna say we work with wood. Make me think of something else. We used to work with board. We could say board, and they did have one leather class, and they did have home economics.
Yeah. Me have one wallet when me make from there, so you know.
Yeah. All right.
Me have a wallet and I'm packing. But yeah, some people like Grandis and Miss Porter and all them Mackenzie, them teacher there.
Yeah. All right. But no, man, I'm glad you're reminiscing thing. Because see if I can bring in some of them call where them people that cuss me and thing. All right?
Yeah, all right. Ray, bless up. Me listen to you all the time, man.
Blessings, man. Where you calling from?
Calling from Queens, Jamaica, Queens, man.
Queens. Yes, that's the thing, the Queens. That's how I live, so we big up Queens Street.
Right around the corner from Sound Chat.
All right. Big up Sound Chat too. All right. Blessings here, sir.
Yeah, all right. Later.
All right. Respect, hunting. So I'm looking reminiscing there from my little late school and thing. I'm pass my common entrance with my good teacher out of grade 5 with my first choice and thing. And memories don't leave like people do. Next, give me a call from Jamaica. Hello. That one then. Next call. Next call. No? You know, 7 minutes, I forgot your name, though. Right? We have it. Yeah. Mr. Combs, what happened?
Tell me now.
There, yeah, man. What you say? Let me see that, yeah? Let me see the wall, here.
The lady don't call me, I know, man, tell me about a girl, man.
Okay, we don't know if you see how that go down. What go on?
But anyway, if you want something when you get tired, you say?
Yeah.
If you want something your wife in a gear,
Yeah.
you can have Ph.6 paper to the star. Ph.6, it costs up to 15,000. Anything you want to do with your wife in a gear.
Ph.6 in a to the star. This is Mr. Coombs calling from Jamaica, people. Agley Park Road, Jamaica. Ph.6 in a to the star. Anything you want, if your wife now give up, if you look on Ph.6 in a to the star, you can get it for 15,000 Jamaican dollar. That you say?
Yeah.
What you mean anything your wife now give? What you mean by that?
Well, you have to read the star. Anything where you in a bed use, where your wife now give.
Well, on somebody is engaged in an enterprise where they're offering anything where your wife now give you and for $15,000.
Yeah, up to 15,000, up to that.
Up to $15,000 backside, you know.
Yeah.
Ratted.
10 years. She been in the business for 10 years, and she already for you, I told it.
10 years now, she a juggle and do them something there, and she not ready for. Okay, all right, I know. So well, on, then I order out, then well, on 15,000. Well, no, me know a woman in Jamaica charge 100,000, you know, 100,000 for work, you know, so 50. But me don't know the 15,000.
Yeah.
Well, on, me not buy no people. Me just know some man tell me said them buy from woman and 100,000, but.
What?
Them bossy woman there, you know, Mr. Coombs. You know them bossy woman there.
Well, that have you pass me now. Me go buy 2 cow.
Yeah, that buy 2 cow.
Me can buy 3 cow, 34 apiece.
Mr. Coombs, before you go buy some juju for $100,000, you say you'd rather go buy 2 cow, no? 2
cow, me can get 3 for the money too. Me buy 1 big cow, one heifer calf, female cow, 16 pounds.
You're a smart man, Mr. Coombs. You know why? Rather than go buy juju from woman for one time for $100,000. If you buy 3 cow and you raise them cow, them 3 cow they can make you get whole more juju from that woman. You know that, don't you?
Whole more.
That's
the
right.
Milk money, you can't say the milk money alone.
The milk money alone. Okay. The milk. Mr. Coombs, you know, so one time I did have one teacher, Miss Onis, and thing when I did have a Cockburn Pen all age, also called Coburn Garden all age.
Yeah.
And thing, and she carried me go St. Elizabeth one time, and thing where she come from, and her father, a milky cow, and I show me how to milk a cow, you know?
Yeah.
And I show me how to dry down the titty, and tell me something up, you know? You have to, when
2
you
years,
dry it down, you have to squeeze it at the same time, right?
Right. No. It's 2 years. You double your big finger and pump it.
Hold on. What you mean double your big finger? What you mean by that? What you mean?
Can I fold your big finger? Fold it out.
Okay. But your big finger, yeah?
Fold your big finger.
Yeah.
And they make the brush up on your big finger, and you use it, your 4 finger squeeze it. You call it a pump it.
You know, that is what him say. Him say, pump and squeeze at the same time.
Right,
so soon.
right.
Yeah. And
right.
thing.
If you use it, you can dry down. You can't get no work at some dairy farm. You have to pump it, and when you dry it, you say, you make the cow breast too long and cut.
When you dry it, you make the cow breast too long and what?
And stick with cut the one thing, you stump and thing.
Oh, okay. So, well under, Mr. Coombs. You are tell me, say, if you dry the breast too much, it will get long?
Yeah, man. A cow can dry 8, 9, 7. Even woman if you keep on the dog, if the woman breast, you know.
Yeah.
The female breast, if you keep working, no. He drop down, you know.
That's true, man. I mean, understand what you say. If your breast get too much action and stretch out too much, you will get land down.
That's a joke.
Huh?
I know joke.
I know joke. Okay. So you did good pan the milking the cow, them and thing, don't you?
Yeah, me bank go see me father have go.
Okay.
Yeah, so we learn from you, so.
Okay. No, but when me did a milky cow, no, because me never pay attention to what him a do, you know.
Yeah.
But him did a tie up something for do with the cow, I tie up something for do with the cow, but me not pay. And then me go get so excited that me go, when me milky cow and the milk come out and thing, me get so excited, me go jump up now, and the jump up, me go look a bit back I cow, you know, say I one kick a cow, give me clot, me and me watch it not though. You know
kick it, yeah.
Lord Jesus, Mr.
But that's some of them tie them foot, you know. Yeah.
Yeah.
When we kick, yeah.
And the same cow there, you know, and next time me go near the cow calf, and the cow run me down and butt me right in on my side. Me would never forget it. Right me in on my side.
Man.
Yeah, right in on my side. Prowl me out under one cotton tree. And people, when we say cotton tree at Jamaica, we not talk cotton tree one used to up here like the real cotton. Cotton tree at Jamaica, one big old... Tell them what is cotton tree, Mr. Coombs, because we have to take a break. One big old tree.
One big tree, 40 foot, 30 foot long, you can make boat, you know.
Big cotton tree. Yeah, the Arawaks them used to make boat out of it. But Mr. Combs, on Fridays, up here in New York, them break at the top of the hour.
I know, for 3 minutes. Man. Anyway, the lady call me, please. Call me, man, where you picnic?
Yeah, you want to know the picnic. The Combs picnic, the and thing. On the link up, Mr. Combs. Tell them your number again, Mr. Combs.
406 4300 406 4300 406-4300.
Anybody who know about the picnic when name Coombs in a Belfield area there?
Yeah, man, we're Cottisburg.
What?
Cottisburg
over there and thing. Gonna give Mr. Coombs a call. All right, Mr. Coombs, I have to take a look break right now.
Have a good weekend. Thank you. Have all the best.
People, we have a break for 3 minutes. You don't know I go top of the hour and thing and whatever. IrieJam radio in New York City. Big up on yourself. Everybody big up on yourself. What was some Monday or Valentine's Day or whatever? Some people under pressure. Some people now go see them man Monday. Some people now go see them woman Monday. Who not own up a man and not own up a woman. And Monday them go disappear upon uno. It's sticky upon someone. We're so forward. Maddie.
And I represent for which FM? Really FM. In a world where nothing is certain, only the can help you find the right way. Ladies and gentlemen, here to take you over the bridge is DJ Ronnie G. Brace yourself, as this and every Saturday, DJ Ronnie G is gonna take you over the...
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Welcome back up in the juggling. Welcome back up in the juggling. I don't know the levels and thing and whatever. We are going till 12 o'clock as we always do on a Friday. Okay, long time TamFamers who over Ragashanti TV. I wanna listen me from Dine Kingdom come from 19 how long. You have all been asking me, I know so I've been posting the Ragashanti Live classics from the Jamaica years over on Ragashanti TV on YouTube. And many of you have been asking me for that famous show with the Vibes Cartel interview and the consequent drama what happened with the woman that we did there with and thing and whatever. Well, that show was posted today. It was posted this evening. Again, for all of you who have been, we are talking about from December 2010. Remember that show, the After Sting and whatever. We are talking about when the war did really start between Vibes Cartel and the police them at Jamaica, right? And that's how it really start from. If you don't want to know where the thing I come from, that's how it really start from. That show that is up. Again, it's on Ragashanti TV over YouTube. Again, from December 2010 after Sting. Remember when Cartel did him and Corey did join up together and have Street Vibes Rum, and then they take over Asylum and call it The Building and thing. And remember when Cartel they keep that show the flap Sting. That was the worst year for Sting. Worst year for Sting and whatever. When Cartel lock off New Kingston and whatever and thing and whatever, and it caused a fallout, and they came on my show and they did an interview, a very lengthy interview. This, without doubt, is the most controversial and most memorable Vibes Cartel interview ever, right? And it was done on my show. Many of you have been asking for it since I've been posting the Ragashanti Live Classics on Ragashanti TV channel over YouTube. It is up now. I finally reach it. I finally reach it and thing. That's sure the post. So make sure you check it out. And make sure you subscribe to Ragashanti TV over YouTube, and also subscribe to TamFam TV over YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to my 2 YouTube channels. Ragashanti TV, we have the Mixup Entertainment, the Ray and the Madness and all these things to make you laugh on the belly button bus and all these things. And of course, TamFam TV, which is about educational entertainment and things, but still jiggy and full of energy and things. So make sure to subscribe to those 2 channels on YouTube. And again, the famous Vibes Cartel interview show is up and ready and live. That classic show on Ragashanti TV. And again, if you want to know, in terms of the war between cartel and the police, them and thing, and you know how it end up thus far and thing, you want to know where it start from, listen to that show there. Listen to that show there and listen it to the end. For hear when Vibes Cartel woman them call in and a beer drama, you have to listen it to the end. Even when the cartel interview done, listen the show to the end because a beer drama go on, all who love Mixup Entertainment. All right. At the signal, yeah. All right, yeah. You can't do it through that window there, yeah? Yeah, all right then. Just give you a call and make we hear what go on. Okay, caller, hello.
Hello.
Greetings.
Greetings, blessings.
All right, move away from the radio here so that we don't hear it in the background.
Oh, yeah, you hear me now?
No, but I hear you good. We just don't want to hear the radio too.
Oh, we don't really have no mix up and no still. I just want to send a shout out to Tina. I know say Monday when they come on back, the day I've done.
Okay.
Wishing a very happy Valentine's Day when it come Monday.
Well, on Jamaica, you call from?
Yeah, man, at the Clarendon, Spalding area.
You call from Spalding, Clarendon, and you call and wish Tina happy Valentine's Day?
When it come Monday.
When it come, you call, wish Tina happy Valentine's Day?
Mm-hmm, yeah, man.
Oh, so why you wish happy Valentine's Day to Tina now?
Why?
Yeah, why? I'm just curious. Me a fast. Me tell you, me a fast.
We don't say how fast, man. Nah, man, a special shout out for you, man. Special shout out for Tina, man.
A special shout out for Tina.
Yeah, happy Valentine's Day when it comes Monday.
Well on, before you continue, I just want to say something. I go right back in a Jamaica thing, right? Spanish Town. I didn't even answer no more. All right, so what you say? You're just calling to wish a special Valentine's Day. There's a tribute to Tina, right?
Yeah, man. Coming from the HBK, the Heartbreak Kid.
Yeah, coming from who?
HBK. The Heartbreak Kid.
The Heartbreak Kid. Listen to me, I remember cuss about what did I people in I remember cuss about, hey, you know, I'm going to leave that alone. I'm going to leave it alone. I'm going to leave it alone.
Yeah. I don't, yeah, man, free.
Yeah,
man, bless up, man.
So a long time you know Tina, though?
Not quite, but getting there.
Oh, okay. All right then.
Yeah, man. Curiosity kills the cat.
No, this is where the British say, "As a cat got your tongue, mate." All right, now I leave it right this, sir. All right. All right. Let's say a word. Big up yourself here, sir.
Ah, cool.
Hmm. 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 Mm. Yo, come on the call in with the Valentine's Day mix up. Bona woman mix up. Bona woman violation mix up. And sitting. And yes, people, for those of you checking, I did watch the Tinder Swindler. And if anyone wants something, them call it a documentary, but me I tell you it's like a film. Right? So it based on a true story with one con man, one scammer man, and thing. And why? Listen to me, man. You need to watch that, you know. The Tinder Swindler, right? A man who the online dating thing and whatever. And it's actually it's almost 2 hours, you know. It's a good length, but it is very, they did a real good job with that documentary because, don't believe because of your documentary that it's boring. It's certainly not. I am telling you that it's not, right? It actually has intrigue in it, and the way they package it and the way they deliver it, there's actually suspense in it, and it's a bit of a thriller, right? It's very entertaining and very, very informative and whatever, and it just shows you how me and somebody I talk about it, and them I say, boy, him this and him that and all man says and whatever. Let me just be clear. When it comes to ginaling people in a relationship, first of all, women lead right there, sir, right? When it come, like old school talk, when it come to lambsing, you probably don't know that word there. When you say look a lambstein and a lambstem, a lambsha, a samfai, or, you know, use our local Jamaican term them. Women lead this, sir, right? Right? Women are better ginal than man. Women lead this, sir. So, but, you know, that man, him take a thing on another level, you know? Him take the thing on another level, so we did mention it on Monday and Wednesday, and I did tell her that I was going to watch it, and I did watch it, and it was very entertaining, and I do recommend that you know, if you want to watch something, it's on Netflix. It's on Netflix. I don't know if it's any place else, but it's on Netflix, so you can check it out and whatever. For no one know modern day generalship. Modern day generalship, particular what go on with the phone and all them something there, and how people are juggling them thing out there and whatever. It's just absolutely crazy, auntie. But again, right now we just want call in, man, and just tell you a situation like if you did have a bonner man or a bonner woman and don't them do something wrong and go mash up your business and thing or whatever. We want to hear about it. You see? Hello. Well on, them bringing 2 callers, you know. Them, well on. Yeah, right, Wagwan.
Ragashanti.
Yeah, what's up?
Me have a message for the
Oi.
facial.
Yeah, huh?
The one them with the whole for facial here.
Yeah.
And them face.
Yeah.
Them for take care right, Raga. Them for take care right. Some of them.
Well on. Who yourself for take care of the facial here? What, Bonner man?
Bonner man, husband, all of the man.
All of the man them. Okay, so what? So the man them for take care of them facial here. Explain.
Raga, some of the year them sharp like needle, them just a juke your left, right, and center. Them a juke you up top and down bottom.
Oh, so when the man them not take care of them facial here, and it is in vogue now, you know, the one Rick Ross make it get popular and things. So when them not take care of them facial here, and them a kiss you or them face near the ear a juke you up. But you say them juke you up top and juke you down the so too, don't it?
Yes, Raga.
No, but this is very concerning because down the so is very soft and soluble and very delicate too, you know. So down the so even more delicate than the face and things. So me can when some look tough here a juke you up down the so is it very painful?
Yes, Raga, it's painful. And love making supposed to be pleasure, not pain.
Right. Lord Jesus. So when the man them a swipe and them take care of them facial here, it a juke you up on them something they don't.
Yes, be a juke raga, me fi tell you, be a juke.
So you had a situation where you get juke up with the ear one time, whatever?
Yes.
Lord.
I have to tell him, say, you're not coming back until you shave.
Tambourine! What you say? So, now, before we reach to the point where you tell him you're not come back, I'm like how you talk because you know if you use a code, I'm going to pick up your voice and thing. But tell me something, I know.
I mean, cookie.
Me know a Cookie, me pick up your voice, but you never say nothing, me never want to say anything. But Cookie, tell me something now. Because me not have to tell you how to talk on radio, you know how to talk on radio. So tell me something, when him did I do him thing, like, so him did start and thing and whatever, and when the juking start reaching, when the juke them start reaching?
The juking start reach from the kissing part.
Oh,
from the start, I just saw the juking start, and me say, all right, me no want kiss no more.
Okay.
Me never expect things so much juke when him go down there, but it did worse.
Okay. So from when I kiss mouth to mouth and thing, him hear a juke you up and thing, and you just say you don't want to kiss no more. And then when you get down to business and when he go down there, more jukings you get the ear. Lord Jesus. Because if you think about it, you probably did a juke up your two leg, them and a juke up this or two, and a beer jukings did I reach you down.
Mr. Raga, juke could have killed me.
Yo, so what you do? What you do? You push for him and tell him tap. What you do? Tell me what you do?
Me no.
What you do? You push for him and tell him tap? You didn't tell him stop? Tap, hold on. You did hold it and go through, make him go through and whatever and this and that.
Me ease up him head, and him say, when me ease up him head, from me right now me not too much pain. Because you hear them a joke me up.
Right.
It's too painful. Me can't enjoy where I do because I feel like somebody has stabbed me with an eagle. Hey, and somebody hear them, I say, it's rough, you know, man.
It's like somebody stabbed you with an eagle. Are you exaggerating there? Or so it did feel? Was it piercing?
Rather, somebody hear them sharp, you know. Somebody sharp when they juke you, you know, and then 1 year I juke you one time, you know, you feel multiple juke.
What you say, I don't 1 year I juke, enough of the year them I juke out, you watch it now, don't it?
You see when time them a move, them head a go side to side and all of that.
Okay, and then in terms of technique, you know, because I have read that some man when them a do them thing, right? Some man when them a do them thing, them actually keep them face like pretty still and then rely on their oral cavity to do all of the work. But I have also read that some man them face move a lot when them a do them thing, right? So he was one of them face where I move enough though. He had an animated face. Did he not? Right? Correct?
Yes. From side to side, and then when time him start go fast, me say,
Hold on. So him head a move from side to side and he get bad when he start go fast, no?
Yeah. More joke.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay, so talk to the man them now and tell them what they must do now with them here. Tell them.
Mr. Sirs, me a beg you and me a want you, I'm sure me not speak for myself only.
Mm-hmm.
There are things out there that you can buy.
Yeah.
To take care of the ear them.
Okay.
If your ear them tend to be very sharp,
yeah,
I would advise you to shave. If not, they can't help the ear.
Mm-hmm.
Cut it off.
Right.
But if there's something out there that can help it to be soft and smooth, keep it low.
Okay. So if the ear can be soft and smooth and but this sound that you have to be careful that the people don't say you're discriminating now, you know, because remember, black people here are a little bit more harder than the Caucasian them here now, you know, so.
No, I'm not discriminating. All I'm saying is there are things out there that you can use.
Oh, to soften the hair. Okay, them can take care of them hair and soften it.
And if they can't afford or can't find the things that would work with their texture of ear,
Right.
cut it off.
Right. But at a minimum, you want men to be aware that don't believe that your hair is just there and it's harmless. You know, that you must be, aware that your hair can cause significant discomfort to the woman, right? That is what you want them to know.
Yeah, that's why I stop date man with beard.
You stop date man with beard?
Yeah, you couldn't take it.
Because you're afraid of the ear jukings. Because that is not the jukings where you want. It's a different jukings you want, and that is not the jukings where you want. Yeah.
And that me just said I go say, Raga, that's the kind of juke when me sign up for.
So it makes sense then like people them who believe say them not for cut them ear because, like the Rasta them and so it makes sense then that them must swipe, right? What?
That's one nether story. That's one nether story.
What you mean nether story?
But Rasta said them not swipe, brother.
Well, we have to be careful, Well, remember, some people wear locks, but them are a Rasta, so.
Yeah, you have dread and you have Rasta. Me talk about Rasta.
You talk about Rasta? No, Rasta don't swipe. The matter try if you come belittle Rastafari right now, one thing. Rasta don't swipe. Okay. True.
You hear me? I said, Mr. Rasta no swipe. That's what I said.
Okay. No, you say Rasta say them don't swipe. With a touch of sarcasm there as if you're implying something. But I am defending the Rasta them. The real Rasta them don't swipe. Rasta don't swipe. You have man with locks who swipe. You have man with locks who swipe. But you have man with locks, and them tie up the locks in a ponytail and them get down to business. But when as we say as una say in Jamaica, they catch up them ear. We don't want to get that something from but they catch up them ear. For anybody who is not Jamaican, if you hear a Jamaican say to you, catch up them ear and thing, all they mean is them if the ear is enough for them pull it up together and put it in a style where it's you explain, but you know what I mean, right? But real Rastafari, them don't swipe. Rasta don't believe in oral sex. Rastafari, them don't do them something. As far as I know. So I don't want you to cast any little veiled aspersions on Rasta, as if to suggest quietly, say them say, them don't swipe and thing, but whatever. Rasta don't swipe. Okay. I'll leave it right
there. The real Rasta, them eat meat, whether it's raw or cooked.
The real Rasta, them what?
They don't eat meat, whether it's raw or cooked.
Lord jeez. All right, we're going to go with that. The real, you're saying, because you're supporting what I'm saying, you're concurring with what I'm saying. Yes. Real Rasta not eat no meat, whether they meat raw or whether they meat cooked. Real Rasta, them don't work with no sushi around here. Okay. All right. But your point is made. And I want all of the bearded man them listen up there. If you're going to work with the beard, the caller say, fix up on the beard, as in find some way to make the beard soft, in terms of texture and so forth. And be aware if your beard are one of them tough porcupine beard there, your porcupine beard, you careful or you kiss when you kiss the woman them, and worse when you swipe the woman them, when you do the little something them down there, son. And whatever, because your tough porcupine ear are going to juke up the woman them pan them leg and on you nowhere. And those ears are very gentle and very delicate and very soft and all these things and should not be subjected to that type of hair abuse. Anything else you want to share tonight, darling?
That is all right. With your work, I have to go.
Okay. Well, thanks for taking time out from your work to share this very critical information with the populace. Well received. Thank you.
The 16th is my birthday. Someone wish me happy birthday.
The 16th of your birthday? The 16th?
Yes.
Wednesday your birthday? Yes. Okay, Wednesday your birthday. All right. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cookie. Who don't want to hear juke her up in her face and juke her up on her leg and juke her up on her juju when the man them a swipe? Happy birthday to you. Cookie, before you go, one thing what the Bonner man them must do. What Bonner man must do or must not do. To be a good Bonner man.
To be a good Bonner man, where them fi do?
Yeah, what they must do or they must not do.
Them for work with whatever the woman or the man say.
Well, okay. So what? So what?
My manager just walking me.
All right, yeah, man. All right, angle your business. Cool. Yeah, man. Cool. The original cookie that, sample call and all these things and whatever. Valentine's Day again, people. It's Monday. I know I say someone having a look at plans. Someone it's neither here nor there for no.
Here to me.
Hello? Yes, hello?
Hello, Mr. Grace Michelle Banana. Good night.
Good night, darling, dear. How you do me put us?
Why me put us me there tonight? I call and wait for you and cook me say cookie take no for the word about my mouth.
What, with the beer thing?
Yes, Raga, I'm telling you, see, if you're my personal man, me kiss. Me no kiss.
You know?
Me no kiss, Raga.
Hold on. Are you one of them people? Because we had a debate on this pan free up one night, and whatever. Are you one of them women that like you are, if you like come on and it reach a point and whatever, you will do so without even kissing him?
Without kissing him, Raga.
Backside, You know, so some people can't understand that, how some people can go all the way when they do certain things and not kiss.
Rather, no. If you're my personal man, I know say, yeah, you're my man. I'm supposed to kiss you from head to toe. But if you're not my man, hell no. Ain't no kissing, baby.
No, but forgive me, I'm not judge you, because I know we not judge people on this show. But why would you even go get intimate with somebody? Me know enough of them watch a pretty woman thing and whatever and really. But my reasoning is this. Why would one even get intimate with somebody with whom them not want to kiss? If you don't want to kiss a person, why get intimate with them?
Raga, you don't have to kiss, Raga. Raga, you don't have to kiss because guess what no. You see, because they love is to use them mouth to swipe, Raga. Raga, me afraid. And you see to God, me afraid to kiss, Raga. That's why, Raga. And that's why me stop make man swipe me. Because Raga, I have one man who swipe me, Raga, and I treat him face.
You have one man who want to swipe you and I chew what?
He used to swipe me, Raga.
Yeah, he used to swipe you and what?
Yeah. But through the beard them on him face, Raga, and through now I take them off. I don't know free swiping it. I have to pay for my swipe. You know get it free.
Him did have to pay for swipe you?
Of course, not in Jamaica free.
Okay.
I come up with him $5,000 and the money there.
For swipe you? Him have to pay for
yeah,
swipe
to swipe
you.
me. I have to pay for it.
But him face did have on too much hair and thing and whatever, no?
Thank you, Raga. And you see, too, him make me know say don't see it about black and white feather.
Oh, so you never know?
No, Raga, come never have time to take the mirror and look down there.
Are you serious?
Raga, I'm serious like Jesus.
No, am I like clueless here? But me think say all women look there so upon them body.
No, Raga, me never have the time to take the mirror and look down there, Raga. But if I didn't tell me say don't have a black and white feather.
Yeah.
Me don't take the mirror and look down there the tweezers and take out the white feather, then I left the black one.
Okay, the whole grey hair thing and whatever and this. No, but you never. So in general, you just never look there?
No, Raga, me never look there. Me one was set fresh, Me only one was set clean and fresh.
But tell me something, though, then. But, well, that, it's, if you don't mind me saying, that sound like, say, you don't even shave no or cut down.
No, Raga, I drive your handbrakes. You drive too fast. You crash.
What you mean?
Me cut it, me use the scissors, because I have scissors, and me take off some of them. Me not go take off everything. But like if me a garbage, now me take off, push by the bar suit, I go sure.
So, you take
me use the scissors and clip, no, me not have bad hair, Me not have, see me head, the ear for me head no bad.
No, so when you clip and whatever, look and see what go on.
No, because I wear down on the bottom part, them there. Then up on the top.
Oh, So, hold on. The gray hair them did that. We are wrong, so we are down, so no.
Exactly, we are down, so.
Oh, because when you are clip now and whatever, you are clip on, you are clip like, you
right, the little
at the top. Yeah, clip at
right.
top. Okay.
Right.
So you're not gonna weird on a South Manchester and South St. Elizabeth. I know down there, so you're there.
No.
Oh, you're up a black.
No, me no.
You're up a black.
Right. Exactly. But me shape, me cut off little.
Oh, so we are down there, so him go see them the grey feather them. The feather them.
We are down there, Raga. So you know, so me have to put the mirror and sit down on the bed and just do whatever.
Okay. But what you think about the man that do where him him see the woman say she have grey hair on her head. But then when him go swipe her, him see couple grey hair down there and him him say that turn him off. What you think about him, man?
Raga, that should turn him off. Probably not even the grey hair them turn him off, Raga. Probably not even the grey hair them turn
he was
him
very
off.
specific and say the grey hair. He was very specific. And
Raga,
thing is that him now have no problem with grey hair on her head, but grey hair nothing down there. So, but would that make any sense to you?
No, Raga, for you come of age, Raga. For you come of age, you must expect that down there go have a little grey hair. I could have even one.
But I can't understand if him did just why grey hair just not attracted to grey hair, period. Meaning grey hair on the top of her head and grey hair there. So I could have more understand that. I just don't get it where him not have no problem with grey hair on her head, but grey hair nothing down there. So.
But that probably must have down there get all. Probably must have down there get all. Because you see, because remember grey hair on your head, but for everybody, because you have some young people have grey hair, So grey hair on your head not trouble people, but probably when him go downstairs and look downstairs and see the grey hair, he must say, my God, they get all. But all him should have done was to get a razor or a scissors.
Well, all right, me see what you ask. Me not necessarily, all right then, me see what you ask. Okay, then, all right. So,
yeah, that's why Raga, that's why me make that the man the Raga me make him tap the car, guess what? Me can't take the ear them on his face. Raga. They're sharp like a razor.
Okay. Well, we're glad we now make it known because some man nowadays them proud of them beard and thing and whatever, and perhaps they're not aware of what kind of discomfort it cause and all these things. All right?
Yes, my love, but Raga never shave with them face. Their face is clean, Raga. Take out some of the ear them. Some of the ear them long like coat tail. Take out some of the ear them, Raga, for them face. And shave out all their arm. You ever see some man stand up and hold up their arm? No. They need to clean up them body.
What you said that the when the man them wave on a woolly per year under them arm, that not too wonderful either, don't?
That not too wonderful, Raga, especially when they use the roller and they use the roller and stick up on the ear.
Yes. That don't look good at all. That don't look good,
Raga.
That don't look good at all. And I am on record saying this, that there is some things that I am used to from Jamaica that I would prefer to continue. But there's this one thing when we did used to at Jamaica. In fact, it was cool. So when I tell young people, say back in the day, when we was picnic, it was sexy to see woman era people at the beach. It is sexy. When we see woman era people, when you tell them young girls up here, they be like, ew, that is so disgusting and whatever. I said, no, I agree. Because me not like that year something I know. Too much of that year something I know. But when me did young and we were picnic, it was the coolest thing, man. You see all woman era people to you go beach and the era people to them bathing suit. You say, wow, God look good, man. You see the ear them people to all these things. No, them days are done now, people. Cut down that era and shave it.
Yeah, man, you cut down and shave it, Raga. Raga, you see me, Raga, me very fast, And we see man stand up out there, start people, and me go like me now, look, and me go stand up and look to see how we have in a Raga.
What you gonna look for the man them something for a tan spicy? What you gonna look for the man them something for?
Raga, what you mean when you gonna look for them for them? Raga, me not to stand up on the people, I can't go like me now look.
But why you sound like a little pervert, I walk around a peep on the man them instrument when them a peep.
Raga, no, sometimes you see some big, strong body man, and when you look, you don't see nothing, you want to wear my pee-pee out.
Well, a lot of ladies have said that Raga be careful. Ladies them say that, you know, say enough of them man the way say big and trapped it out there. The ladies them say them not have nothing. And you know what the ladies them say? Say Raga, you say short man and maga man. Then say short man and maga man. The woman them say short man and maga man. That they're packing. True, don't it?
True.
Yeah.
True, Raga. Raga, true. Slim body man and short man, Raga. Cause remember me tell you, say, me all a pass when I stand up and go and like say me I look for somebody and me forgot something, Raga.
Yeah.
And me I look.
Yeah. No,
Me
but
a
I want
look,
to
Raga.
tell you, you know, as from the man side, we have to say, just want you to know, you know. You say the slim woman them, like all yourself, me say, when I carry a piece of weight there. Remember me telling you, man, I don't know nothing normal. Yeah,
A 5-year call on me have.
No,
5-year call
but
on.
when I have in a dance hall, old school dance hall, and so on, kukum kum. You know what is that? Kukum kum?
No, me not so maga. Me not so after blue bone.
Oh, but you know,
Kukum come when you maga. You say my blue bone. No,
Yeah, you're right. Then. Well, okay. But no, man, so when a slim man, carry a piece of weight, the man, you wonder how them even manage to walk and thing.
Me know about myself, Raga. Me know about myself. Me not praise myself, Raga. Me not praise
Anyway,
myself.
the boss there tell me say we have to run some ad right, you know, so we have go Lego and thing. But big up yourself, you know, good. All right?
Yeah, man. Happy Valentine Day when you come.
All right. Yeah, you have a Valentine. You have Valentine, man.
Raga, I'm free, single and disengaged.
Okay, me think, man, you're one of them where your man left you right before Valentine's Day too or whatever. I think I don't know.
Raga, you know, so me not have no man long time. Raga, long time, no, me not have no man. So no
Okay.
man couldn't left me this week for next week.
All right, that's fine. So big up yourself here.
Same to you, my darling.
All right, put us. We're so forward, people. Urgh.
This is IrieJam.
What? Over? Did you say over? Nothing is over till we decide it is. And it ain't over now.
We're gonna stay here forever. You got it? Ooh, yeah. Forever.
Car stereo, $550. Home entertainment unit,
I am the Edison phonograph.
$550.
Created by the great wizard of the new world.
Listening to IrieJam at high volume,
Delight those who would have melody or be amused.
priceless. There are some things money can't buy. For everything else, there's IrieJam.
This is Zion Stewart, and you're listening to my dad, the awesome Ragashanti, on Bridge 99 FM.
Yeah, man, back in I juggling. You know, so somebody send me something, man. Send me them. Okay, see it, I make a read it and thing or whatever. The email, I say, hi, Raga, good day. Please give a shout out to my daughter, Mercian Diamond Ramsey, affectionately called Merci, French name meaning thank you. Today is her first birthday. Ready time go, Raga, LOL. Our one and only baby girl, my husband and I are so happy to have her in our lives. We'll be listening in tonight, and much love from Alberta, Canada. Greetings are coming from her mom, who is Sweet Cheek. You don't know, say Sweet Cheek at TamFam straight, always in a free up and everything. Auntie Trudian and Auntie Niket. And please see picture attached and thing. And I'm looking at the beautiful little 1-year-old Merci and thing, and in her look a yellow pants and her look a cute look yellow and white and pink and red blouse and looking all fabulous and thing. Big up yourself, Merci. Happy first birthday on this earth, and I want to say big respect to you and your Aussie and thing, and big respect to Merci aunts, Auntie Trudian and Auntie Niket and thing. Enough respect to all Canadian listeners. And thing, enough respect to all listeners up there in Canada, on the Ontario side, on the British Columbia side, on the Montreal side, and thing. Big up on yourself and whatever. Give me a call. Hello. Hello, greetings. Wagwan, tack up, energy. No? Hello?
Yes, good night, Raga. Good night, Mr. Raga.
Good night. How you do?
Not bad, not bad.
Okay. Are you on speakerphone, Bluetooth, or earpiece?
Yes, me something phone.
You depend on what kind of phone? Where you depend? Speakerphone, Bluetooth, or earpiece?
Just a speaker.
You can come off of the speaker, or you have to talk on the speaker?
Well, you know, I've had in store, speaker field. I just found something phone here to hear.
Oh, all right. Talk up nice and loud, then make we hear. Your voice is a little bit muffled, but we will listen intently. Yes, so what go on? What you say?
No, me not say to you, say, just like when the lady is a call you and tell you about the session of really kiss man because of what she fear. You understand?
The hair upon the man them face, yeah.
Yeah. Me have an experience similar to that, you know.
What did happen to you? Are you know how to keep it clean when you attack on radio, right?
Yeah.
All right.
No, me have say,
yeah.
Me have an experience something like that when me could have share with you, but the point still remains. Say, me tell myself that me not really invest me no from those times to tell no. And me and a man get involved in a relationship. I'm not a kissy person, you know.
You not know what?
The kissy person.
No picky person?
Yes, rather than kiss up a man or stuff like that.
What you say? You're not kiss, you don't want to kiss no man, right?
That me don't want to kiss a man, but me I know this kissy type to just running on a relationship because the first thing I do is kiss you and then something, you know that.
No, but how you work that out? Because usually, traditionally, what happens, you know, is that when you're getting to know somebody, you know, and you start like them, the first thing you do is kiss them before you go further with them. So how you work out that now?
Well, listen now. Something did happen when me did tell myself that I'm going to go back down that road and make that something that happened to me again, right?
All right. No, man, tell me what did happen to you and fix it up a little bit. Just tell me and fix it up one thing. Yeah, what did happen to you?
You know, all right. Yeah. I was in my relationship, right?
Yeah, in a relationship.
Yeah, with my children's father.
Your children's father, yeah?
I'm involved with this. Woman.
Him did a born you with one woman, okay. All right, yeah.
Some distance away, it is clear there, so.
Right.
Yeah, to them also. And you know, him and this girl like this. And
him go down pan her, him swipe her.
Yeah, the point about it is that after I'm doing hack, you know, when he come home now, you know. And you know, like he come in and that one beat me and that come take him out and kiss me.
So hold on, at the time when him did come home and kiss you, you didn't know say him did do it already or you find out after?
I find out, you know.
Hold on. When you did find out, you did find out after him did come home and done kiss you already. After that you find out, say him did do that to the woman.
When he miss me, all right. The point is, him comes on to me and want to kiss me, and me just you know that person. I know that person is great smell because you and that person is intimately involved and stuff like that.
Yeah.
You know, say I know that they supposed to have.
No, hold on there now. Lord Jesus have mercy. Are you telling me that your past gentleman, you know, the father of your children, him go to road, him a bunny and go to road, and go swipe on a woman, put him out, you know, where upon the woman, and when he come home and I kiss you and whatever, and boom, right away you smell him out and know say, no, the mouth, yeah.
Me know say that is a feminine.
Okay, so him mouth when you know say that when you say feminine, you know say him mouth, hold on, you know say him mouth smell like chun chun, right? You did basically that, yes. Lord Jesus, have mercy. Hold on. Master God, if you're not busy. Master God, if you're not. What you tell me, say, your husband come over and kiss you and his mouth smell like vajayjay?
Yeah.
Jesus, have mercy. Oh, my. Yeah.
That's some years back, you know.
Yeah.
And you see, from the time they...
No man can come kiss you. No man can come kiss you.
No, so me tell myself, no, so me draw myself out of them things there, brother. You know, so me no meet man.
Wait, 1 second. Yo, check that person that Travis Taylor post one link. Yo, Travis Taylor, don't do that something there, man. We block you and throw you out of this, you know. We're not Yo, delete. No, see down there, so Travis Taylor, delete him. Nobody come over. Don't bother come. No, don't block him. Just delete it for now. No, just delete it. Just delete the post for now. If him do that clot again, you black out in what's it now. No, click on it and think. Travis Taylor, see him there, I come and post spam in the right name. All right, no worry about it. Just because you can't find the delete. Let me show it. Yeah, man. All right, nobody really call them come. I saw them come doing and come take over the thing, you know. I'm boring up with something, you know, and whatever, you know. Travis Taylor, try going about your business. TT, Travis Taylor, nobody come over here, so come advertise by the people and Facebook something when we are doing a show. Nobody with it, Mr. Man. Go about your business. The people, hey, listen to me now, man. What give me that something. Hold on. 1 second, Carla. 1 second. I saw them come, man, and then just come beat up a thing sometime, you know. When they delete, the one me I come to here, you don't move a muscle right there, so we are come talk about that man. Alright, I can't see what it, me deal with this after, because I have a show for run. But, alright, if he ever come and say back with him foolishness with any more and them something, we'll fling him out of this clot. So, you say from you have the experience and thing and whatever, you don't run them joke that with no man again and thing after that, don't it?
No, sir. You know, go down there because they say, young man when me that, you know, they see with us, if me get married and you know, say, yeah, and my husband this and stuff like that. I'm just so you see me that I say me I run up as me see you, so me I run come you up and kiss you up and in a mouth, you know.
All right, but let me ask you something, though. Even if you get deep with a man, because you are at and spicy on the same page, right? Even if you get deep with a man and you reach a point where you say, all right, me I go kiss that man you know. You know, think that man they could have do this something to somebody else before you too?
Yes, of course. Man, any man anyway can do anything they want.
Right.
And,
okay.
And then just go just say. And then something them looking at, you know. And then one time, you know, when me I go one of my in school and stuff like that, you know, me I go to this institute, you know.
Yeah.
What a young woman was called me class schoolmate, you know.
Yeah.
And, one day she come and we did one of the talk shop area, like the canteen part, this one. She come and say something. Because something that happened with from the TV.
Yeah.
And some young men then they say them I watch some porn or something.
Right.
And the same oral something.
Came up, right.
Yeah, and you know, young one also say, see, no man can come do say them and come do something there, you know, she say, come like kiss her and stuff like that because she say, imagine when she look for the one biological aspect still, you know,
right,
and stuff like that. When she said, she see some out in sea, I know how someone see.
Yeah.
And she said, someone may have the ministerial cycle, you know, and
all right, we don't want to get too much in that part there. But basically, because you have men who say that too, you know, you have men who say, you know, them no want this and that because the woman may go whatever. But my question is this. I mean, the thing is this, is like, is there a surefire way for know? Do you agree that this thing has gotten more common now, right? It's like nothing now, right? Don't you know? Enough people are...
Yes, man.
Okay.
That's something that remember say make popularized from back in the
All right. So what I'm saying, all right, let me put it another way. All right. So you don't have a problem with a man who did there with a woman before you, and of course, him and the woman do so and so, and him put him instrument in so and so. You not have no concern if that instrument go in you.
No,
if you like the man.
no,
but
everybody
you hold on, but you think you think it is different if the man use him mouth now, and then you forgot put your mouth on that with pan that man now after him.
But look here, it's not a matter of say it's different if the man you know. Listen to me now. If you you're on your girl there somewhere and you're under involved in a day something, you see?
Yeah.
And you left down and you come. But you left off your house and you come and in by right and stuff like that. Come bush at me then, all right?
No. Wait, no. What your junk? Was it your husband?
No.
All right. What your baby father do? That's wrong. That one. That is a special situation because for him go do that, right? And then come home to you now and now go Listerine out him more. No. That is a flat out disrespect. No, that is a flat out disrespect. And you have a right. You have a right to have been offended. And you have a right to have been so traumatized about it that you're now averse to even just kissing anyone. And anybody who not understand how you would have reached that point after having that experience, they would be unreasonable. Because I totally understand how after having an experience like that, you just like, I can just imagine how horrific it was for you to go smell him mouth and them something there and be like.
But Mr. Raga, listen, me not explain it. To the them like how me explain it to you now, you know.
You know what?
Me not go explain it to your man where me and him get involved like how me see him and explain it to you now, you know.
No, well, you don't have to do that. So have you come upon men who are concerned that you don't want to kiss them and feel like something is wrong?
But because me I tell them say listen man, you know, they love me something there.
Right.
Like
and then
that.
and when you say that to the man, them kind of look on you like you're strange because you don't want to kiss like something wrong with you. Yeah. And then you know no one going to explain nothing to them and whatever. So it causes a little problem, don't it?
Yes, it causes problem too.
Wow.
To get around and look at something there and stuff like that.
So you have no problem then if you reach a man and you like him to the point where you say, all right, I'm going to run it upon him and him deserve it. You don't have any problem doing it with him and then still not kissing him. You don't have any problem with that?
No, because...
no, what I mean is that is what you end up doing at some point. You will get intimate with a man and don't kiss him?
Yes.
Wow. All right, okay. Jesus God, this one I tell you, see one next one of them come this and now and thing like that. I saw them stay man, them black that one, them black them. Black. Yeah, man.
I've got something when we want to talk to you about, you know. But you hear me?
Yeah, man. All right, listen now. We have to go break.
And up on the ear, me want to talk to you. Yes?
Oh, okay. You want...
Yeah, me want to ask you upon a one-on-one something what I tell you, yes?
All right. Send me an email, no?
And me when it call you the other night, you know, when me that somebody said me I will beg you to help me buy some material and stuff like that. You understand?
Okay.
Me have one little concern, me want to help your doctor thing where you
okay, no problem, man. No problem. A counseling situation. Okay, just send me an email, no? Ragashanti@gmail.com, here. You can send me an email?
One night, me I go call you back and stuff like that, yeah?
Oh, yeah, man. You want to send me an email?
Yeah, one time I go try and do that.
Okay, all right then. So I just link me on social media if you know, because I need to get a separate number for these things. All right, dear. But just link me and we set up something. Okay. And people are coming up to the top of the hour when we have to break for 3 minutes. But people can imagine how traumatic that must have been for her, right? The father of her children and whatever. He might burn a woman out, they go swipe the woman, use him mouth pan the woman juju and thing and come home now and want bust big kiss pan her as in open him mouth, she smell everything and whatever. That must have been so awful for her. And thing. And it's understandable how she just know you know that kiss thing there with man right and now and thing. Anyway, we're going to take a break right now. And then, for 3 minutes, top of the hour, Friday night thing, I don't know how it go and things. So we'll soon forward. Stay tight.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Check. We're back? Oh, all right, cool. Oh, yeah, man, we're up in our juggling. People are going in our last hour of the thing, right? Just a Ragashanti live in our ears and thing. And do remember, make sure say, go over to both of my YouTube channels and make sure say, subscribe to the two of them. One is Ragashanti TV.
99 FM.
Bridge Nation, it's the love connection. Bridge
something
99
in my ears, yeah?
This Valentine.
All right, it gone now. Yeah, all right. My two YouTube channels, Ragashanti TV and TamFam TV. They're both on YouTube, Ragashanti TV and TamFam TV. Also, do remember that many of you who are listening from 19 how long and thing and whatever, you've been asking for that film. A lot of shows you not asked for. One of them has always been the show with Vibes Cartel, with the Vibes Cartel interview. When the war did just, you know, understand enough away, you know, in terms of the whole Vibes Cartel saga and where it started from. We don't need to listen to that interview from December 2010 after Sting. December 2010 after Sting. Many of you have been asking for that show. That show is now up. Came upon it, because I'm doing things in order. And I came upon that show and I posted it today. So it's over Ragashanti TV. Again, the most memorable Vibes Cartel interview, the most controversial Vibes Cartel interview. Of course, that was done on Ragashanti Live, again, in December 2010. And that show is up now. It's over on Ragashanti TV. You can go and check it out. And, of course, there's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of hours of mix-up entertainment over there on Ragashanti TV for your listening and viewing pleasure. For your listening and viewing pleasure. Old Ragashanti live shows, new Ragashanti live shows, free-up shows and whatever. And I have hundreds and hundreds more shows to put up, but they all have to be edited before they can be posted. So I have to take my little time to do it. And at the same time, I'm busy during the days and that and whatever. So I'll be putting up shows for a long time to come. So make sure you go over to Ragashanti TV and subscribe and just keep checking over there. Click the bell. You're going to see a bell there. After you click the subscribe button, you're going to see a bell also. Click the bell there so you can be notified when anything, is happening over there. Also, do remember that this Saturday on Ragashanti TV is all about the free up. Free up. The realest Jamaican talk show this Saturday, 8 o'clock on Ragashanti TV channel on YouTube, hosted by yours truly, me, Ragashanti. Make sure so lock in for that and thing. Again, this Saturday, as is the case with every Saturday, free up, 8 o'clock, the realest Jamaican talk show right now and thing, hosted by yours truly, Ragashanti. So make sure so lock in. Also, subscribe to TamFam TV channel. So it's two channels you're going to subscribe to, Ragashanti TV and TamFam TV. And do remember that TamFam TV, it's about educational entertainment, but still with that energy and still with that vibes and still with a Ragashanti flavor and thing for your enjoyment and your edification. All right, we know the juggling right here now. Where you see a call there? Hello, Wagwan.
No close, Raga.
Wagwan, boo-boo.
Midday.
Where you say? Talk to me, man. Talk to me. Look at energy in your voice tonight. You do. What you do?
I can't spicy say she a 5 year mini a meat pot.
Jesus have mercy. What you say? You Ebby to down? You Ebby down?
Yes, man.
You Ebby. No, well on. My yes says so, you're a real Jamaican. Yes, my love. So, well, you know, say you heavy for true, don't
Be a meeting on my part.
be a meat in your pot. Are you think so?
Yes.
Or you have been told that?
Man call me meat pot.
Man call you meat pot, don't
Yes, certain clothes me can't put it on. As mag as me, certain clothes me can't put it on.
What, when you put on certain clothes, what happen when you...
Be a excitement and me feel shame.
Jesus God. And
God
not shame, you
know.
mean embarrassed. Not shame, you feel embarrassed.
Embarrassed, yeah,
right.
embarrassed,
Because I
yeah.
know nothing for shame, and that sound like a gift, man. So when you say,
Embarrassed.
when you say you're slim,
Me maga, yes.
you're maga, and when you are the road and go out the end, you wear up a little thing like a little nice shorts or a little tight up pants or something like so. What you say, the whole like that, a trouble upon you, don't?
Well, I me wear one sock and dress.
Oh, me know that too, you know, because let me tell you now. You see, when you know a woman heavy, you know, and when she wear a dress, you know, and the dress now for so kind, you know, the dress can't just be whatever. I mean, little breeze blow up on her and them something, and you're like, backside, you know, when you... So I saw you stay?
Yes, Raga, I'm not carry enough ear. You know, when the baby them just born and the ear just curly and flat.
Yeah.
Yeah, that ear they may have. My ear no juki.
Yo, I bet you never let her listen a bad mind, you know. I bet you never let her Tashchin a listen a bad mind. No, but Tashchin, she have like a mix up. I bet you never let her listen a bad mind, you know, don't it? Never let.
Me not fall and trouble them. Me not trouble them. Them are good people.
What you mean good people? But me I tell you, say Navlet have some tough year there. You never know about you never hear about Navlet tough year them.
Me hear about her, but me don't know about no toughness.
Okay, so
Yes,
you say you're
good up Navlet.
good up now. So you say you're heavy car. Them man them call you meat pot, do call your pot full of meat. Your pot full of meat and
meat and number one.
No born to your thing, no. No born to your thing and whatever this and so,
people are going to say me silly and part of my life gone and then some them me not like swiping.
You don't like swiping?
No, me rather they would pack up in my fireside.
You rather they would pack up in your fireside. So you when you say you don't like swiping, you don't like the man them for swipe you. Worse, you never swipe, but you don't like swiping. You don't want
me not enjoy.
You don't enjoy?
Me not enjoy.
Okay.
People are going to say too, me not get the right one and this and that. You see, as me reach a mobile, you push for them head.
As you reach a mobile, you push it. How that go? As what?
As me reach a mobile, me push for them head.
As you reach a mobile, you push for them. That means you know make them start.
As me COM.
Right. You push for them.
Me push for them.
No, but when I say then, you mean when them a swipe?
Yes, because
no.
We just finished the song.
Oh, but what I say is, then that's another objective. So when you reach Mobile, you didn't enjoy it before. You didn't enjoy the drive to Mobile. People are code we attack with no, so no work it out. So when you reach Mobile, here's a question. You didn't enjoy the drive to Mobile?
Me not enjoy it. When the fireside a blaze up, all when them a drive go Mobile, me reach a Mobile, me still want it.
Oh. Well, I don't know. So you say, so well, let me say, if, so sometimes, have you ever gotten a swipe and make you reach Mobile?
Yeah, but as me reach, me stop the car.
No, but when I say from
come
what
out of the car. Me come out
no,
of the
me come
car
out of the car, but when I say, but that is normal for even woman who like it from what I have read.
Enjoy it, Ragashanti.
So when I say you never enjoy it before? When them
No.
Oh, me see what you say. So how you manage reach Mobile if you never did enjoy it?
Well, me not know if I some little touch, you know, but nice me like when they wood in a fire.
When the wood in a fireside, in your fireside, okay, all right.
Rather when the wood in a fireside.
But just so you know, I want you to know, a lot of women, believe it or not, you have a lot of women who like to do it and they don't want it done to them,
Me know,
Yeah.
man.
So you're not alone, you know. And there are a lot of women who don't like it at all. They don't want to do it and they don't like it at all. So don't believe. Don't believe while it are, you know, enough people are do it now and all them something they want. Don't believe you're alone. There are a lot of women who don't like it at all. Right? So you're not alone. But it's interesting that you say you don't enjoy. So what I do, it's just probably just one person you didn't know who do it to you, don't?
Let me see. One, two, three different smarty.
Three different
I mean, I really enjoy it. And guess what? Don't them say mouth carry bacteria. And don't dare so cleaner than mouth.
Indeed, you're correct, yeah.
That's what doctor said and I read as well.
Yeah, that you read as well.
No, I said the first time I make one Mr. Man did Jesus Father Raga.
What?
Scratch it, scratch it, scratch it, scratch it, scratch it, scratch.
Sorry. Well on, what you say? The first time you make a man swipe your thing, after that scratching would have kill you, though.
Scratching would have kill me, you see, when me use the rag, me have the rag, you know.
Yeah.
And I know, say, me have blister it out more, you know, you see, when me go under water, I burn me like pepper.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
I have to go to clinic and see the doctor, and the doctor prescribe one little cream for rub it.
Jesus, God. So, you know, she say, it look like I want dirty mouth man, like you want dirty mouth man, don't?
He mouth dirty, he look like he not brushing teeth, and I say dirty are them something there, and
right. Keep himself clean. Because you ain't never get involved with him and him never, if him never did. But you say it look like him mouth, something wrong with him mouth, because when him done,
wrong with him mouth.
He make it scratch you down, it scratch you.
Me say a rag, me have to use it, because me can't use my finger, me have to use the rag.
But you say when you use the rag, you gonna end up a bruise it up more, don't?
Yes,
Lord
water
Jesus.
can't touch it.
No water there, so.
No water. Me have to go clinic and the doctor prescribe one little cream. Rub it when
You
no
know,
water.
say, I'm me name Ragashanti, right? I'm me then cause me always talk about them something. I'm me host one show named Outa, right? A sex entertainment talk show. I'm do that for more than a decade. I'm me talk about this. You know, say, I've never heard this before.
A serious thing, and I lie me I tell him I do it with two other man, I'm good.
So you know, the first one just turn you off from it and thing where make you just kind of like, you know, from, you know.
Guys, what me say, and guess what, no? I went in my 30s.
Yeah.
At the first time I get swipe. Me never interested in it when me in my 20s. Me want my fireside for blaze.
You are your fireside for blaze with some big wood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And when me in my 20s, then time that hide and leak, people hide and leak. It never so popular.
It never, okay. Nobody never, them people that did a hide and lick them days.
You never so popular because.
So basically, where you say people not hide and lick no more?
No, sir.
What you mean? What? Wait there, 1 second. Yo, me I tell you, see them a running in the man, a beer pan over Facebook, you know, a beer link and thing. Delete them. Just block them. Block them, yeah? Yeah, just block them. Yeah, go and talk, yes. Mm-hmm.
Rather them come up front and tell you, some of them, if you give them little start out, them not even ask if you do them start go down.
Okay, so it's coming like nothing now, don't?
No, one time they used to call them bow wow. They used to hide and sit me.
Yeah, bow cat, yeah.
Me get drive now a van already and a man I say, if me man ever put in on, I mean, what you call it? What you call down there, so code up part?
The code
I'm
up?
a juju.
Yeah, juju, yeah.
But man ever put in and I'm a juju and rub it across his nose. Me say no.
And that the man I tell you in the van, I put arguments here and them.
Yes.
What you said to me?
Wow, we stop a roadside to do it. Me tell him no, me not defend that.
Hold on, and why you stop a roadside and him want to get
Yes,
Him just want to give a swipe right away a roadside and him just meet you, though.
Roadside.
And
No,
just
me
meet
know
you in a...
him, man. Me know him.
Oh,
me
you know him.
me
Oh, you know him.
Yeah,
You know
me
him. You know him. You know him. You know him.
But me tell him, say, no, my man never do that yet.
Okay. When him say just rub him on there and then rub it across his nose.
Yes.
Hold on. I'm just trying to imagine that. A man a talk to a woman and a put arguments to her and I say, baby, here we are going. Your man ever use him and rub it down this one after rub it down this one, just wipe it across him nose.
One time again, Raja, one young girl.
Yeah.
I tell me about one youth saying, do them something and swipe.
Yeah.
I me ask me if he swipe and then so he must say no, he never do them thing there. So me I say too lie man, but me not call on anything. Me say you do it. He must say no man. So one morning me just come from bathroom and he come a call me wrap up in a me towel and he come a call me about something. No about no swipe.
Right.
So me call him inside and me say, come here, take the scissors and come clip for me. I want not did it for clip, you know.
Yeah.
And me I tell her, say, him say, not did it for clip. And me said, stop.
Yeah.
Remember I start work it.
Uh-huh.
Me watching me not easy, yeah.
I say him never do it though.
But the young he don't tell me saying do it.
So him did younger than you too?
Yeah, man, a young youth. Younger than me.
Okay, so he must probably like the second or the third one who do it, though. Can you say, only about three? Okay. Lord.
Three did it, man. The first one, he make it scratch.
No, me think the one that make you catch a scratch. Me think him turn off your mind from it and thing. You know, him turn off your mind from it.
He not turn off my mind. Me just not like
you just
it. Not nice. Me like the wood in the
fire. When the wood in the fire side of that. When the wood in the fire side of that, you like, don't it?
Nice.
Push wood in the fire.
Drought some of the ashes.
What you say? When I push wood in the fire and thing and draw it wood and some ashes will come out and everything back in wood in the fire, don't?
So not that me I tell you, brother.
Lord Jesus,
that
you think
nicer.
That nicer. Okay, it is what it is.
Nice me.
That nice
me
you.
Enjoy that better than the swipe.
Okay. But before you go though, is there anything where you remember like I don't know if you know like in a situation where a bonner man do something wrong or a bonner woman do something wrong or a Valentine Day mix up and thing. You don't remember nothing along them lines.
Me only know I say one wifey.
Yeah.
She end up turn matey and the matey end up turn wifey.
No man, that happened several times, you know, man. That happened several times.
Me not really know about no bonner man. No bonner woman.
No, but the one where you know when time the matey turn the wife, you know. When the mate turn the wife in a mate and she turn wife and whatever, them did know one another, them never know one another.
The mate did know the wife first. The one who turned the wife, right?
Yeah.
He turned the mate.
Yeah.
And the mate turned the wife. The one who did mate who turned the wife, she didn't know the woman who did leave the first.
Well, yeah, the bonner woman usually know who the wife is.
Who
the wife is. And then, so you know what really caused it for him left the wife and left the wife. So wait, so after him turned the mate in a wife and the wife in a mate, him did still involved with the wife who turned mate?
No.
No? Well, no. Well, you can't say it so then. Better you say him left the wife and turned the mate in a wife.
Yeah, turn the mate in a wife because the wife is too nasty.
Oh, the wife is too nasty?
Nasty. You see her when he left, she and like them are clear out in the room and one jump on a rubbish.
Lord Jesus, no one they end up a left her, don't.
She did nasty bad.
But just for the record, when you say the wife turning a mate, right? That means the wife still involved with the man, even though she turned
No,
mate.
they never involved.
No, me just tell you, when you hear people say, you know, the mate turning a wife and the wife turning a mate, it means, you know, the one on the side become the wife and the one who are the wife, they on the side now and thing like that.
I understand that. Rather, once a while you ain't go say before.
No, me just say it with man too. We talk with man to believe it, yeah.
All right, let me tell you what me see.
Yeah.
Man left woman and got married to a next woman, right?
Yeah.
If me have my man and he left me and got married to, say, me not call Tina name.
Right.
To Atan Spicy, right?
Yeah, Atan Spicy.
He can't get no more thought out from me.
Him can't. If you have your man and him left you and go there with Atan Spicy, him can't get no more work from him. Married, right? And got married Atan Spicy. Yeah.
He can't come back and get no work from me.
All right.
That happen.
No, but me tell you something. Suppose me tell you say that happened to woman and the woman say that better, that she want, that she prefer that. You know why?
Me not good enough to be wife.
No, but you see me I tell you said times have changed now, you know, because me no have two situations with that. But one, where she says that when she was wife, I be a stress and headache and certain things that she have to take care of, what she not have to take care of. She said now that she a mate, she get what she wanted, what she valued from him. What she did love, what she get from him. She said she get even more of that now as mate, right? And she said she can go still do what she like out there. She have her freedom and she get what she has always been getting from him, what she love and whatever, without the added responsibilities and drama and stigma associated when she did whatever. So I say, the world is, it's quite complex now. So you have women with that position, them say, that them want. That them want, them prefer that. You understand? And then the other situation now, this woman now is like, him did left her, you know. But fear thing was, she just, it's just a thing for no say, yeah, him have new woman now, but I can't get him anytime I want him. You know? Yeah. You know, that's something there. She just, yeah. Anytime I want something, I call him and thing and whatever, Ray, and him, boom, bang, bang. So she did just get a kick out of that. So you have different scenarios out there. But basically, I say, if you married to a man, and then
me there with him and he left me go married to somebody else.
Go married to Atan Spice.
Can't get back my sort out.
Him can't get back. Him can't push film wood up back in your fire again.
No.
And come mingle with your ashes and all
exactly. Things and time really change because you have some woman, them a man go for the first date and them a bite off the man corner.
So what wrong with that?
For the first time you just meet a man and you buy corn.
Nothing wrong with that. Okay. Nothing wrong with that. Then what if the woman see the man and like a man? Right? What if she see the man and like a man and that she want to do to the man? And when time she touch the road, she just feel empowered. Say, if she want to do it, it's this she want to do. She want to give my headers. And go so boom, send her the ice cream cone and she start deal with it properly. Pistachio or whatever.
Man is very funny and man is very smart. You see, if you are not you are not old, me just say ladies, I talk to a man for first, you just meet the man say in the morning.
Yeah.
And by 5 o'clock in the evening you go dash out. The man I go say, I see him where she dash out by every man.
Some man stay so. But some man who grown, them can't pick out and say, boy, no, she really, this attraction is immediate and thing, but I not really so she stay, Because, say enough woman, sometime woman meet a man and date a man and them ready for sleep with him, and them don't because them are worried about where the man are going to think any of them do it too quick, Enough time woman in that position and they want to. Nowadays you have some woman with listen to me now. If I want it now, if I feel for do it now, it's my choice. And if him want to come along, make him juggle, right? And if he understand himself and say modern times now and them thing. If a woman like a man, she like a man. You understand? I have woman too, you know, who see man, you know, and like the man there, and that's all them want from the man, and that's it, you know.
Sure.
And then we do it. Then we just move to the man and just tell the man, say, boom. More and the so and you and them the so and so, and them not pressure you after that. Them good. Them just low you out and say, no, but they just want one for you, you know. Yeah, you have them woman there too.
And then we have straight fire stick to my fireside.
Brah. Them for no.
Ragashanti, have a nice weekend.
All right, then bless up yourself, man. Bless up yourself. Lord have mercy, the show at 90, you know. Okay, for people who want the number, if you call from New York, if you call from the United States or Canada, the toll-free number is 888-546-8742. 888-546. Every time I have to make sure somebody said that number right, you know. Yeah, 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. Again, if you are called from the United States or Canada, the number is 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. If you are called from Jamaica, 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996. Give me that call. Boy, something wrong with them call up here. I don't know, sometimes when them chip in and thing or whatever, I don't know how I go and thing right this way. Yeah, Valentine's Day is Monday. And thing, big up all of the people who are celebrating and going to do. Well, Valentine's Day right now, we need a year and a day for people like But big up all of the people who are going to celebrate them thing and go on with a thing on the Valentine's Day and whatever. And again, we are admonish the boner man them and the boner woman them again. We not advocate burning, you know, because some want to get it twisted. Right? Again, if you have a good man or a good woman, don't give bun. Do not give bun. If you don't give bun, what you going to give bun for? You know what I mean? If you don't give bun, you know nothing to prove. Nobody give no bun. But again, as we always say, we're not naive for things that burning is going to be erased from humanity. Right? Like, you know, civilization has reached a point where we're burning done for. No, we know that burning is always happen. So the next step then, if you go burn with respect, right? Don't make certain things reach your partner or whatever, right? Don't make the person who you are born with go get too hype, whatever, right? You know, if you are born with somebody and whatever, this and that, and them a dry you out to get too much, you know, your husband a fear or your wife a fear, you know, balance your thing, man. Manage your thing, man, right? Because sometimes, you know, when time the bonner woman or the bonner man start hype and go on with certain things, I want to make them behave so, you know. I want to make them behave so because they not govern on a thing. They not govern on a thing, right? So make sure, say, you know, demarcations are held where they should be so that certain respect maintained and whatever. And never bring a bonner man or a bonner woman in your house. Never bring a bonner man or a bonner woman in the house where you live with your husband or your wife or your man or your woman. Never. Go to hotel. Do it in the car. Go a bush. Make sure hug a tree. Or something. Be one with nature. Or something. Go on gully side, gully bank or whatever. Never bring a bonner man or a bonner woman in the same bed where you have with your wife or husband in the same house or whatever. Right? That is a cardinal rule we don't tolerate around here in the budding fraternity. Okay. Give me the call. Hello. 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 Carla. Them dead there listen to the radio anytime them do them something there. Carla.
Hello.
Why you did that listen to the radio when you call in and the person put you over?
I try to turn it off. It's on the other phone.
Okay, all right then. Well, go and turn it off. Move it from it there, yeah.
Yeah, I try to turn it off.
Eh.
Listen, Raga.
Eh.
Me you're talking about swiping.
Yeah.
You know, all of these years, I'm 62 years old.
62.
I've never experienced a swipe.
You never get a swipe yet?
Not a good swipe.
What?
Never.
Oh, hold on. You just said not a good swipe. What that mean?
I mean, I've dated men who tried, but all them do I just wet up myself. Just witness because of that. I don't like it.
Well, I don't know. So, you say you have dated men and them try a thing and whatever, but all them do, them just kind of like, you know, a little plaka or something and them not go out with nothing too tough.
Yeah, you know that?
Yeah, because them never know what them are do.
And it's like, not at all they don't.
No. If you don't mind me asking, let me see. If you don't mind me asking, was it a lot of time that you have experienced this?
No, because after about the third time, I decided not to.
Oh, okay. Was it the third time from the third person, or was it the third time for one or two person?
Okay, so first it was somebody in Jamaica that I was dating.
Right.
And then after I migrated to the United States,
right.
and I got married, my husband.
Right.
He was the worst one.
It was, Jesus, oh God, he never know where man. He never know where man.
Not at all, at all.
Nice man, cool man, but just not know about the swiping and thing.
And then after I got divorced,
yeah,
you know, I dated somebody else and they tried. And so I never really bothered. I didn't really bother to entertain that.
Right.
And then, you know, it was a turn off because I met someone who, that was the first conversation. He wanted to know if I do that. I said, listen, we're not even sure if we're going to be in a relationship. Are you asking me about that? No.
And he might ask you if you get blowjob, if you swipe.
How I feel about that.
Oh, you feel about it?
How I feel about that. I just said, that was just a turn off.
Right. Him too quick. Too quick.
You must lead up to that, no? Lead up to that, you know?
Right.
And about the ear thing and the beard, no, Lord, listen. Some of them, you can't smell them a mile away. The beard just smell of the fishy.
Yeah, said Jojo. Wait, you serious?
Man, you can't tell the breath. You know, listen, I'm a nurse.
You're a nurse.
I can
right.
smell their mouth a mile away, those people, especially if they're a regular. You can't just smell.
Hold on. You are you?
Them brush, it's like them just live for the juju.
No, hold on. You are saying as a nurse, you know, you're attuned to them are bossy term for this olfactory.
Their mouth have a certain smell. Yes. There's a certain smell to the mouth.
So hold on. So just like if somebody who drink, just like if somebody who drink liquor already, not care what them doing, whatever you can. After a while, they just smell the liquor upon some alcoholic people.
You just right.
So you are saying that you have men who eat, who wait name the juju so much that not care much and brush them teeth and Listerine and whatever. But you just smell the juju upon them.
Yes, they have a distinct smell. Mm-hmm.
Are you serious?
Yes.
You serious?
I am dead serious.
So you can't there on a man and you just know say yes man him eat it regularly because he smell upon him. They just...
Yes. Mm-hmm. And I mean a lot of them are nice guys, you know.
Yeah.
Clean and everything.
Yeah.
And they chew gum and they do, but it's there.
It's just there.
It's there.
It can't leave.
You can tell. Yeah.
Are you sure that you're not like you sure that you don't have like, you know, you're hypersensitive to these odors where you can just kind of almost, you know.
I don't know, boy.
Yeah.
Maybe. But I tell you, the lady.
Because as a nurse, you know, you're going to know what that family of scent is like for that area, you know. So we are inclined to believe what you're saying, because as a nurse and you have to deal with women, and you know what those orders are like.
That's just me. I'm not saying that for the general public.
Right.
It's true.
Right. Oh my God. So you have these men walking around.
Like, your previous caller.
Yeah.
I don't kiss. No matter how me love you, me not kiss you.
Lord Jesus God. Oh, you see? I'm surprised how many women are calling in and saying this tonight.
Nope. Not at all. That's not in my... I will give you a little chups on the mouth.
Yeah.
But all that tongue wagging and stuff and all of that, no mixing up saliva for me.
Even if you reach a point where you're getting intimate with a man, you're not kissing him?
Him could have married to me and give me $1 million, me not kiss.
No, me don't believe you. Me don't believe you.
Listen, I will chups you. Listen. Even now, I don't kiss my boyfriend.
You don't kiss your boyfriend right now?
He's always asking me, why you can't kiss me? Why you don't want to kiss me? I mean, I just don't like it. I said, don't forget, we're in a pandemic now and corona, we cannot mix saliva.
No, but if you won't come here, your boyfriend can be having sex and you don't kiss him. I don't understand.
I know my man a people man.
A people. That's the Tory come to bump, you know. Tory come to bump. Oh, so your boyfriend, him having people him live with, right? Eh?
Something like that.
Something like that. Okay, and whatever. So you, in your mind, him probably the woman do them something that to him people, no?
Of course he's doing it. I can smell it on him.
Lord Jesus, so you smell it on him too. So that's why you not kiss him, because you not make him over there do them something.
Not kiss nobody.
You not kiss nobody at all?
Mm-mm.
Lord Jesus. So if me and you start talking now or whatever, I want to kiss you want to kiss Raga?
No, Raga, not even you.
You want to give me?
No.
Right. No, but me and you that feel argue.
I will give you a little chups on the mouth.
You give me a little chups on the mouth, but me and you couldn't.
Yeah.
We couldn't play a sword fight with tongue and name something, you know?
No, in this time, no. Not in this time at all.
Listen to me, though, man. No, you ladies are killing me tonight. No, me never know there's so much woman out there just knowing the kissing thing at all. All right, if you don't mind me, I ask. If you don't want to answer, don't answer. So when you and your boyfriend get intimate, do you do everything with him? Apart from kissing, do you do other things?
To be honest, we have never done oral sex. Neither one of us on each other.
Okay, come here. I go say, it's really weird then if you do oral sex and then no kiss mouth to mouth.
No.
Okay. All right.
We don't.
Okay, all right then, cool.
Yeah.
Oh my.
He has never approached me.
Right.
And I've never.
Right.
No.
And leave it
like
at that.
The lady say.
Yeah.
We didn't have fire and that's it.
And that's it. All right. No, and leave it right there.
Mm-hmm.
And leave it right there. And leave it right there. But what you think about the phenomenon now? Oh, I forgot to take a break. But what you think about the phenomenon now where is a common thing out there, where them say people swipe a man from this and swipe a woman from the man and swipe the man from woman and whatever. And thing. You ever think about
it has happened. It can happen.
What do you mean? It has happened to you?
And that is why I choose not to believe in certain things. It happened. I mean, it happened. I've done it.
What do you mean?
So,
you have done. What do you mean? You have done it?
Yeah. Take one woman, man, back in the days.
You swipe a one woman, man, from her?
Back in the day, yeah.
Back in the day?
Time ago, though, in Jamaica.
No. Oh, back in the day. So am I to assume then from what you just said that if you were to so and so that you have a real good head game then?
No. If I think about what you're thinking about, no.
Okay.
I'm not really experienced in that.
Oh, okay. No, but I think you probably
wouldn't say it was
misunderstand
that.
me then. What
I
would
wouldn't say
no,
he
no.
wasn't getting any care.
No, okay, no. So it's something different. I think you misunderstood what I was saying. One of the common things out there with people who do not want to swipe is is that people say,
that wasn't the reason.
oh, because him no want swipe or because she no want swipe, somebody come swipe with him from her or swipe with she from. It's a big thing out there now.
No.
It's a thing out there now.
Totally different.
There's a lot of people.
I was just a better woman.
You were just a better woman. Okay, no. Okay, that is what I was referring to. That it's a thing out there now, that, in relationships. Like, no, you have women nowadays, who just speak out quite bold, that they're not talking to any man who is not doing it. And whatever, So you have these things out there.
I know a few of those.
One thing, right?
Yeah. I don't know. My whole thing about a man is he must have a very good sense of humor.
Sense of humor. That is what you find sexy.
Can tell me a good joke.
Tell you a good joke and make you laugh and thing.
Mm-hmm.
But who knows then? Perhaps then when you meet a real good joker, then you may be like, oh, this man is making me laugh so much, I have to kiss him. It might happen. Him deserve more than a chups. The way that man make you laugh, and you're going to say, no, him deserve more than a chups, all right? Okay, we have to break it up. Bless him.
Him would have to have a breath, a fresh mint breath.
A fresh mint breath.
He can't have any other kind of little smell when we can, any little hint of smell on his breath. Forget it.
Forget it. Done. But why?
He must have a baby's breath.
No, you have that acute sense of smell, You can't smell Jojo Panaman in a man mouth a mile off and thing.
I think maybe it's because I'm asthmatic. Why I have a very
asthma. Okay. So so a man can't lie to you and tell you, but I don't do it. And you be like, whatever. I have the superhero sense here and whatever. I smell it on you. You did it up to Nike. 13 days ago you did it. I can't smell it. All right, bless up yourself here. Yeah, man, take care. Okay, people, we'll take a break. We'll soon forward.
Yo, this is Shaggy. Yeah. Out to many one music, baby. You're listening to IrieJam Radio. Yeah, number one. Yeah.
You're listening to IrieJam.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Yeah, man, I juggle on towards the 12 o'clock hour when we juggle up out here. We have about 11 minutes to go. And do remember that tomorrow night is a thing called Free Up over Ragashanti TV on YouTube, hosted by yours truly. That would be me, Ragashanti. And Free Up, the realest Jamaican talk show, again on Ragashanti TV over YouTube tomorrow night, 8 o'clock. Make sure you log in and lock in and thing. All right? And of course, when you go over Ragashanti TV, you subscribe and click the little bell over there too and sit so that you get the notifications and you know what's going on over there. Also subscribe to TamFam TV over YouTube, same way. Those are my two YouTube channels, Ragashanti TV and TamFam TV. Subscribe to both of them, click the bells, even if you're PNP or your comrade, click the bell. That bell there one different bell. That bell there just for notification so you know what going on the channel. Do remember, Ragashanti TV is all about mix-up entertainment. Proper. Yeah, the ray something, the mad something, the crazy something, the entertaining laugh something and thing. TamFam TV, on the other hand, is about educational entertainment. All right? But it's still jiggy and full of vibes and things. So make sure you subscribe to both of them and things. And again, tomorrow night, 8 o'clock, Free Up, the realest Jamaican talk show with me, Ragashanti, 8 o'clock. Make sure you're on there. Lock in, tune in, roll in. I make the thing mad up on all these things, all right? It's been a fun night and thing and whatever, and as usual, the show meander. You don't know, you set it and thing and then, the conversation goes. But honestly, people, I've had a few surprises tonight. I've never heard of, a man's mouth being so unhealthy that when him swipe a woman, it makes sense that it can happen, right? And again, let's be reminded that the human mouth is way more dangerous. It has way more dangerous bacteria in it than the other parts of our bodies and things like that. So it follows then that if a man is not taking care of his mouth and all, no wonder some woman say, oh, that them out them can never put them out upon me or Ray, this and that. Never heard of that, auntie. But also, you know, this whole thing that there's so many women who are just not into kissing at all. You know, that it kind of catch me off guard. Give me the call. Give me a final call before we go. Hello.
Oh, my friend.
Robert, wagwan.
We are dealing with the boss.
Yeah, all right.
Hot tonight, man.
Huh?
The show hot tonight.
What you said the show hot tonight, Robert?
Why me there? I listen to 62-year-old man there.
The 62-year-old woman. What? You sound like you like car, man.
You get and the rest of people, man. We want to see him again.
Oh, which one?
Where that about? It looks look what they say. Look small one. Remember him name? What call him?
Oh, Atan Spicy.
Spicy.
Okay, yeah. Where you call Atan Spicy? You look a small one, they don't. Atan Spicy.
Yeah. I listen still.
Yeah. But you so like you listen to the whole show, Robert. What you learn tonight?
Me learn how the person for the show, but I listen it. I force me ever there and I'll see till it done, you know?
Till it done, because usually you drop asleep because you're tired, don't
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
But one thing I hope you learn one thing tonight, you know, Robert. Make sure say your mouth clean all the time. The woman them not in that dirty mouth something there. Right? So you have to make sure say your mouth clean all the time. What you say about that?
That's true. That's true.
Yeah, make sure say your mouth clean, don't
Yeah.
What you brush your teeth with, Robert?
No toothpaste, man.
What kind of toothpaste? What the brand name?
No Colgate.
Colgate,
man.
Colgate you use. You use mouthwash too?
Yes, man. All type of thing we use, man.
Okay, all right then, cool. So you take care of your, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, you take care of yourself. So your mouth always fresh, Robert?
Yeah.
Huh?
Brush my teeth, man.
You brush your teeth regular. Okay, all right. Nothing wrong with that. We just say your mouth always fresh, so you're not gonna have that problem there with them. So since you let go that
the woman there where I talk about say Ray. Marginal.
Oh.
This 62-year-old man boy never get it done yet.
She never said she never get it done yet.
No, but she has said not never go on like that. But she some of them company show. Say so, but them are like.
No, but what you say she a general with the 62-year-old?
She's a general because she a try to say no go on. And she not kiss no man and blah lie.
Oh, why you not believe that she not kiss no man?
No man, he not ever kiss man. She younger say that true. She say a people man he have. Lie, no go so.
No, what you mean? A lie she tell she a people man she have a lie she.
Man can't come on radio and say anything raga man.
Hold on, what you say she tell lies she there with people man?
Lie she tell.
Hold on, you not listen. No, you answer me before you hear the question, you know.
Listen.
What are you saying she's lying about?
Listen,
that she there with people? Robert, stop.
Yeah.
All right. Are you saying that she's lying that she's there with somebody else, man?
Yeah, of course.
Why would she lie about that, Robert?
No, man, no one very sensitive, man. You can't see woman a joker. She only said that. Like say something but no go so. Tell her me Robert so.
Okay.
No go so. I saw you go.
So when you Robert, you can't remember saying when you attack you can't have the radio playing in the background, man. You can't make me hear it. It's confused one, man. Right? You know better than that, Robert. Come on, man. You can't have where hear the
but no go tell her say me say so, man.
No, but she hear you. So if you attack to her and you deal with her, you could have get her to kiss you?
Of course.
You could have get her to kiss you good and think.
If he want tell him to if he want give me a call, we have to let no go so lie.
You want her to call you, though?
Yeah, me know, but me have to say no go so.
But me I say, oh, you da get her to kiss you then since she says she not kiss you. Oh, what you da do to get her to kiss you? Robert. We have 2 minutes to go with you. If she says she not kiss you and you and her attack and thing, what you da do to get her to kiss you?
Of course, man.
What would you do to get her to kiss you?
No, me not give nothing. Me not kiss me man.
Robert, you see, you
Yeah.
still have the radio playing. I can't believe you are doing that and I mash up my show in 990. You have the...
mash up a show, my friend.
Dog,
Don't
they
do
in the
that.
radio that me hear a playing at the background loud. The people them a complain about it. Robert, you come here and come and mash up my show. And you call regularly, you know, so we're not supposed to hear the radio in the background and you come here and mash up the show.
Tell her, say, if she even want to give me a call, tell her, say, Robert, so she'd have to kiss me.
Okay, so I call you, want you for call you, don't?
It don't matter if you want to call.
Eh? You want her for call you, don't? But, no, but if you tell me, oh, you don't get her for kiss you, she'd have probably call you, but you not tell me.
She'd have to kiss me, man, because when me done everything on Ray, blah, blah, done on Ray, he have to kiss me.
When you done everything on Ray, what you mean by that?
You don't know, you're on the show talk, like, you don't know what is what, man.
No, what is what? Just give me a hint. You don't even have to tell me.
I'll make you sure done.
No, but you don't have to tell me. Just give me a hint.
No, man. Remember, say, a long time we not eating, I don't know, you know.
A long time you ain't eating, don't.
Yes, you long job up here, you can't job at night.
Robert, your sample. All right, sir. All right, big up yourself, Robert. We have to let go here. I got Robert the easy, you know. Robert say, let me see the wall. Robert say, you love George people, you know. You're not drawing me out tonight, you know, Raga. You're going to like a take man for what. Big up yourself, right? People take care of yourself, you know. Remember, say free up tomorrow. Me soon on live. On camera. And audio and the whole works tomorrow night. Ragashanti TV, free up 8 o'clock. Make sure someone come in. Come nice up a thing and whatever. And this time we're going to talk up something with them. And, you know, we're going to revisit this thing, this no kissing thing of some women and thing. Because I know someone going to tell them more pan free up. We're not going to come clean and tell them something them pan free up. Really why this is a big deal. Because the part of me can't understand is nowadays, I don't know why people worry about them something. Well, I can't understand. I say, all right, then I better not kiss none at all. And thing, because if I'm going to worry about certain things and whatever, even when I end up a kiss somebody, one person, there's no way for you to know what that person they did that do before with them mouth. So all you can do is just open them mouth clean and them not come violate like what the caller say, our husband do, and go outside, go swipe a woman and come in back with him juju breath, with him vajayjay breath. And come on, kiss and make this friend with him Outa herself and thing. People take care of themselves. Tomorrow night, 8 o'clock, free up, Ragashanti TV, on YouTube. Come in and make we enjoy ourselves tomorrow night, 8 o'clock. Free up, the realest Jamaican talk show with me, Miss Cherry Washbelly. Ragashanti tomorrow night, 8 o'clock. On Ragashanti TV over YouTube. Ragashanti TV over YouTube. See you there. Take care of yourselves, people. Have a wonderful weekend. Outa Road!